Good morning, traders. Hope you guys doing well and super blessed. We are live right now. We are live right now. Let's tap in. Let's tap in. Let's tap in. It's a brand new day. It is Wednesday. Very important day. It's a midweek. So today is quite interesting. When we come to this time of the week, because usually the trend has been set. Can you guys hear me? Let me know if you guys can hear me. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Okay. Can you guys hear me? There we go. Can you guys hear me? Let's go. Let's go. Can you guys hear me? I'll appreciate. Let's go. Let's go. We are on. We are on. We are live. We are live. We are live. Jabu in the chat. Let's go. If you guys can hear me, just drop a Jabu in the chat. Then I know you guys can hear me. Let's see what's happening on gold this morning. Let's see what happening on gold. Sound is better today. Amazing, great stuff. So let's take a moment. Good morning, traders. Chandler, hope you're doing well. Calvin, hope you're doing well. Kyle, good morning to you as well. Can't wait, man. We have something interesting today. Actually, we're gonna show you guys something interesting. We're gonna provide you guys with something today, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna be showing you guys something very interesting, something I was inspired by, and I definitely think it's gonna help you guys. Of course, you're gonna do it on the live stream, so don't worry. There's not going to be anything of you having to do anything crazy. It's just simply we're going to do it on live stream, and I think it's really going to be like a very good way of the community seeing a few things happen. So just stay tuned for that as well, right? So Jabu in the chat, you guys can hear me, right? Let's go. So you guys can hear me. Perfect. Thank you so much for interacting. I appreciate it, traders. I really appreciate it. We're about to start right now. I'm just tapping in with everyone in the chat. Shatith, hope you're doing well. Blessed, man. No audio. There should be audio right now. Tahir, morning, guys. Z, hope you're blessed and well. We Jabu. We all Jabu. Let's go. Bro stayed up. Yeah, man. Look, the honesty thing is, I don't know if you're saying like because I wear always black. Just know my all my clothes, majority of my clothes, I have a lot of black tees and white tees, but mainly black. So if you see, it's my look. I'm trying to like every day it's like work, so for me coming on stream or every day, just not even on stream, you'll always find Shaquel majority of the time in black. So it's not that I didn't go sleep. I went to go sleep. I promise you I went to go sleep. This is a complete different top. I always have top. I'll show you guys. I actually asked him to bring some tops right now black. You'll see I'll have like probably more than 10 tops of black, just black tops. And then I have a lot of golfers that are black as well. So it's because I generally like the look of just black. There's no of having to think what I'm gonna wear. It's just I just put on black. I just put on the black. Put on black. Anything goes. If it's cold, it's hot. Put on black. There's nothing that's gonna go wrong. We're catching gold all to the all-time high. That's correct, man. Honestly speaking, this whole week I was saying to you guys on the daily, and we're gonna tap into that analysis right now. Okay, so listen to this. We've been speaking the entire week about gold going to all-time high, and it's happening. It's probably gonna happen today. I'm trusting we're gonna be seeing it happen today. But we said that, look, we've been saying once we clear the daily level, we're gonna see some sort of retest on it to actually go up into the highs. If it doesn't want to do it this week, we said it's gonna break down the weekly level and then test here to go down to that level right there. Now, looking at it, we officially broken the day level. But before we go into the analysis, I just want to pray. So, like, I start the session with the prayer, so I know that we all just have the anointing of the God above us, and then we can start. So with all respect from everyone's religions, you can do your own prayer in your heart, but I'll pray for everyone. So I'll just start. Father God, I come before you, Lord, to this day, Father, in front of your throne, to thank you for the blessings as well for us waking up this morning, Lord. We thank you for the divine blessings of that, Father God. We thank you for the abundances they has hold. We thank you for the divine protection, Father God, upon our minds, body, and soul, Father, and it's aligned with the Holy Spirit, Father God. All decisions made, Father, to lean onto your understanding, Lord. And we thank you, Father God, for this positive day, Father, of success, Lord, in the name of Jesus, Lord. And we bless everyone on the stream, Father, their homes, Father, and we bless every other person unknown to us, Lord. As we begin, Father God, we thank you, Father God, for the wisdom and the spirit of discernment, Lord. And we thank you together in the name of Jesus. We say, Amen. Let's begin. Okay, let's begin. Let's begin. Let's begin. Let's begin. So you said, bro, we flying this week. Yes, man. I've been saying like, yeah, you wear same clothes from yesterday. Sis, no, I don't wear same clothes as yesterday, man. I have a lot of black clothes, man. Honestly, I have a lot of black clothes, and even if I wanted to wear yesterday's clothes, honestly, who cares? Really, who cares? Does it make it matter? People go to work, like let's say if you go work at a factory, you're wearing the same fucking overall for the whole week, or 1 week, or 2 days. You know what I mean? So even the shop, right? Pick and pay people. People who wear suits, you find out they go to fucking lawyer, go to work with the fucking same suit. It doesn't matter. If I want to wear even whatever it is, the case is, I have a lot of black shirts. So I will show you guys. If that makes you happy, that's satisfy you, then I'll do it for you. Just to satisfy, to show all the black shirts. Awesome to bring me some black shirts out right now. And then that will maybe help you feel better that okay, this mentor's not so dirty. Guys, trust me, it doesn't matter. The case is, even if I fucking want to sit here with a whole week with the same shit, it's not gonna matter. It doesn't pay your bills, so it doesn't pay my bills. Fucking wearing a shirt or no shirt, it doesn't matter, because the case is, you can still fucking catch a trade. That's it. That's what matter. Oh my gosh. But with that being said, let's see. Morning Shaq, I hope you saw the inverse in his shoulder that I was talking about yesterday. I didn't see it, man. It didn't happen yesterday. Let's see. Good morning. Thank you, bro. And good morning, Dr. Jabu. Good morning. Good morning, patient Gareth. No, no, you are gonna be Garth. You are not patient. You are going to be assistant surgeon. You're gonna be assistant surgeon, Jabu Jabu. So we're gonna operate everyone in levels right here. I mean, Maverick, thank you for joining as well. Ashen, thank you for joining. David, thank you for joining, man. Dion, morning to you, bro. Thank you for tapping in as well. I really appreciate it, man. And I see Joy as well. Thank you as well. Da, Ashad, Jabu Jabu, morning. Let's Jabu Jabu go. Crystal, thank you, bro, for tapping in from Cambodia. Bro, how do you say Cambodia? Is Cambodia? Cambodia. Is it Cambodia now? Cambodia. It's a what? Vietnam. Yeah, it's Indonesia, man. Isn't it Indonesia? Yeah, it's Indonesia. Yeah, so thank you for tapping in, bro. I know you busy out there. Morning sound is on another level today. Is it too much? Yeah, yeah. Let's. Must I bring it down? Must I bring it down? I can bring it a little down. Must I bring the sound a little down today? Alton, my brother, Mandela. How you doing, bro? Java gang in the house, man. No, leave it. Oh, someone's leave it. Okay, cool. I'll leave it. I will leave it. I'll leave it. Keep it. I like it. I like it like that. Yes, yeah. Okay, let's tap in. Let's tap in, guys. Let's tap in today. Now, very interesting, guys. Daily levels. You can see that, like I was explaining, that we officially broken above yesterday. We closed the daily above. So with that being said, right over here you can see the daily of this candle of yesterday, which was the 15th of October, closed above the daily level. Now, of course, this happened, I think, probably early in the morning, but I will just check right now what time it actually retested it. It retested the daily level this morning. So let's go on to 30-minute time frame. You guys can see what time it actually tested. There you can see the clear breaks above, and I did explain this on my YouTube channel when I said, you need a clear break. It actually broke above at around 15 well, 5 o'clock around yesterday, it closed above them, and then you can see it tested there over here, and this morning around 2 o'clock, which I was not up at that time, I was sleeping. But basically you can see the small candles that I was talking about. There's a slowdown over there, slowdown candles, rejection, rejection. So first rejection is slowdown, second rejection is a change of color of direction, but the rejection you can see is changing direction. And then right there we have a impulse, or you can say distribution, or you can say whatever you want to call it. I don't care. The case is market is distributing in the market impulsing. But if you go to a low time frame like the 5-minute, which I like to trade on with gold, for instance, you will see that these candles, how the market was actually ranging over there. So you can see first rejection, slowdown. There we have a slowdown candle. So you can see slowdown candle, slowdown, and then we eventually, just range it. Tries one more time, fails, come back up, and then that's where you can see here market eventually gets in a massive bullish engulfing all these candles over here. This is a very important time, right? Then market eventually doesn't come all the way to retest this area, which is quite interesting. It doesn't come back to retest it, fails to come back. Initially my ideal way to get in is once market retests here, that is when you usually will get in, right? So however, about 3 o'clock in the morning and about just about almost half past side, market just after half past actually, market tends to take off, right? Take off, eventually the ranges once more time, as you can see about this morning, which is Asia. I think Asia highs around this area, so let's just put on Asia. You can see right there we go. So you can see Asia low was tapped in right there, bam, creates the low, and that is on the daily level. So you can see Asia literally came into the daily low, into the daily level right there. So that Asian low came into the daily level and then decided to takes off, right? This morning you can see how what happened was market then eventually starts ranging over here. So for me, the momentum is bullish. I am looking for the momentum to continue in that direction. Now on the other end, guys, you can see that right over here we have what we call is the Asian high over here, and that is on the 10 to 8 candles. So you can see right there that one, and in fact it's the 8 o'clock candle right over there. So the 8 o'clock candle, that is a very important candle to us. But if you go on a 50-minute time frame, let's look what is happening on there. You can see that when I put off this Asian structures right here, you can see, okay, we have this range, which I always talk about, is before any impulsive move, we have the Pacific range, which I call a precision box. You can call it whatever you want. I just like to call it precisely the precision because it's so precise. And then from there, we have a distribution. Now, with that be said, guys, monthly high or all-time high right here, we have it over here at the monthly high. So looking at 2,685. So you look all the way to the side. Let's go to the side. We'll see it. Maybe in a 30-minute time frame, we can actually go into it. There we go. You see, that was the all-time high right there. Now, with that be said, that's quite a massive range to be actually trading. If we look at just from year to year, it's quite a good range to trade. Even from this point in time from year, it'd be a good range to trade from year all the way up back into that highs of there, so we have quite a big range to trade. Now going on to the 5-minute, back on the 5-minute time frame, let's look at what can we do with this. Now, I always talk about you can have our intraday trading sessions, which we can use for intraday, for scalping, hyper scalping, all those good stuff in day trading. So when you put on our precision levels, you can see right there, we have our precision levels over there. Put on the fib levels. The one thing I do like about this same area that we drew on, which is the Asian level, is that this Asian area we have over here, right? This Asian box, you want to call it whatever you want to call it, is the same lineup with that area of the precision area right here, okay, that fib levels. So interesting fact I'm looking for is maybe market can trace back into here. When market retraces back into this area, this is where I'm looking for the move back up into back. I wouldn't say all the way high. I would want to see if it can go. Look, I know myself. I know myself. I know this. I know myself, guys. I know myself. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hold all the way high. It's gonna depend on my psychology at the time, but I know I'm gonna go for 1 to 2, right? Minimum, and then I'll try to move my stops up as much as possible. So that is how I tend to trade. I don't always go for the biggest risk to ratios because I know my psychology. I tend to always watch my chart and I watch my trades. I don't like to watch my trade. It is who I am. I'm not gonna fight that, you know. So again, guys, looking at that, I'm gonna watch out this area. If you just want to, you can just put up a area like that so it doesn't look so dirty. And or if you want to, you can actually just put up a line area where we can just say watch this area here. Okay, guys, so when it comes at this point, we're gonna see some sort of reaction. At this point in time, I want to see if it's just gonna have a nice push up. Also, if you go up 30-minute time frame, let's look on the 30-minute time frame. We can just look at what we're talking about. You see impulse over there, that's the first slowdown candle over there. That's an important one over there for us as well. So for me, I want to see that if mark comes towards here, maybe I get a trade over this side. And I would say the most safest place is to put stop under here. But again, guys, I don't want to have such a big stop on gold, so I'm gonna try to minimize my stop as possible. You know, having at least a structure on the 5-minute time frame to help me, you know, mitigate my stop, or in 50-minute time frame. So let's look at what we can look at on this side on the 50-minute. Maybe we can use this area as a place for a stop. Now, looking at this structure right there, we have a little mini on the 5-minute time frame, of course, low time frame. So I would want to put my stop maybe just under that area. If you want to put it on a 5-minute time, look at the 5-minute time frame, you'll see it a bit more better. Or if it's a 1-minute time frame, you'll see there's a bit of a, no, I think it's a 1-minute. You see there's a bit of a structure right there. So we're going up and then a push down, last push down. So for me, I'm gonna put it just either under here, and then my stop, my entry will be right over here. Okay, guys. So that will be the way I'm perceiving the market this morning. We probably can get this move going back up. On the other end, right now, market, you know, being it's 80 minutes past 9 right now, so we still need that 10 o'clock push. So I'm thinking maybe the 10 o'clock push can come down, but we need to watch it this highs. So what I'm going to do is I will put on this in the meantime, because this is actually that what has happened over here. It's the same thing, guys. This year you can see it's very much the same, if you want to call that, you know. So before any big move happens, that happens. So now my thing is, if the market impulses all the way down, I'm trusting it's gonna be like just to catch this area and go up. You know, I hope it's not gonna be one of this type of structures and just continue going down. You know, I'm just gonna trust that it's gonna come all the way down, test this area clean, and then go all the way back up. On the other side, yeah, that's mainly my views on gold right now at this current point in time. And just the fact that we have Asian areas that literally was taken all the way out nicely, and we have to probably see some sort of retracement. I don't feel comfortable trading the retracement down, just because the momentum is quite bullish. So I don't want to go for that, what do you call it, that the counter trade. I don't want to go for the counter trade. We have been taking counter trades this week. You know, I won't lie. Every time we take a counter trade, like this week, we've taken a counter trade. It will maybe stop us or break even or stops, right? And then it'll first go our direction, stop, and then go our direction again, and he take profit or do something like that, right? And that's because we're going against the momentum. A degen trade. Yeah, basically, I don't want a degen trade. I don't want to be that, man. Like this week I have, and I looked at my trades, it's like I have been taking the degen trade. I have been taking those counter trades where the momentum, I've been telling you guys, look, just go for the buy, rather just go for the buy. And then Shaquel, like, I'll see the setup in the live, I'm like, yo, maybe just take this trade at least, because we've been waiting. And that's the thing, is I don't want to also feel as if I'll have the patience when I'm alone, but when I'm on the stream, I feel so like, I don't want to say it, but I'm gonna say it, bro. I feel so obligated to have a trade. But then sometimes I'm like, bro, the trade, I can rather wait for, like this, for example. I can wait for this to come down. And then, but some people will be like impatient. And I'm like, okay, why am I being so impatient? It's because like I'm probably thinking in my mind, okay, you guys gonna get like maybe like, oh man, where's the trade, I'm like, bro, you making that scenarios up in your head, bro. Like I'm like, yeah, but then if they like that, then you must guide him to let him know, bro, don't be like that, and explain to them why not to be like that, and what's the benefits of being patient, you know. I guess that's why I'm streaming. And then I was thinking about this, I'm like, okay, why are you not maybe educating and use the opportunity to say, look here, you know why I'm patient for these areas is because over time, if you're patient and you wait for specific price to get in, you know it's more likely to go in your favor. But when you more hasty on your entry, then eventually you'll say, you know what, I will say, if you're hasty with trades, you're gonna get hasty outcomes. Now on that end, yeah, so I do see this thing maybe a bit of retracement. I do see a retracement down, guys, but again, I'm not going to take that retracement down because honestly speaking, I would rather wait for the market to come back up, get like a retracement back up. So I want to see, for instance, um, market pull back down, have a little bit a push down. Like I always will look for a push down. Usually I'll even take those, but I don't want to take it. I want to go with the momentum of the market right now, and therefore I'm looking at market comes all the way down and then we should come back up. Okay. Uh, oh, I see. Okay, let's just remove that person. Okay, let's just do that. There we go. Let's see. I did it. There we go. Yeah. Jabu Jabu Force sees him. Wait, guys, can we're gonna take a moment, right? I wanna let's say I want to give you, I want to, as time goes on with the streams, right, I want to give roles to everyone, and I think this is going to be our first role that we're going to give to someone right now. We're going to make someone a moderator actually. And I think the one person who's been shown me for a very, there's two people here, like every day right now, is Goth, Jason, Maverick, all things Forex, David, we have Mandela, we have Kiesh, we have Dayan, Ashlyn, we have Joy that joins in, Mark Austin, and Christo. I see you guys all, right? I do see a lot of you guys. You need a moderator in, yes. So I'm gonna give you guys. I'm gonna give. I want to promote one of you guys to moderator right now, and then eventually. So, man, it's so hard. I've been wanting to ask someone, and I've been wanting to ask you guys, but then things like, it's like I don't know, bro. Like it's you guys, cause you guys are all. I want all of you guys to be, but it's like, how do like you have to choose like, okay, the one person has to start, and then it's like, how do you choose someone to be a moderator, man? And it's like, okay, fine. Um, I don't know. Honestly, guys, jeez, it's a tough one, man, because you guys are all supportive, bro. It's crazy. You guys are all supportive, and I don't want the next person to feel as if I don't really say, okay, you're the moderator, and I don't want the next person to feel as if they not appreciate it. They very much appreciate it. So that's why I'm like, I can't choose. I don't know who. Um, so that's why rock paper scissors. Okay, let's do rock paper scissors. Okay, look here, eh? Okay, okay. I'm gonna drop a poll right now. I'm gonna drop something out now. If you want it, message me right now. Okay, let's message me right now. No, 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 don't say that. Make it anonymous. We're not gonna vote on here. Let's do it anonymous so everyone don't feel. Let's vote like off thing. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give you guys my chat quick. I'm giving you guys my Telegram. Okay, then name. Then you guys say message me quick, and then see who. Let's see quick. I'll give you guys my Telegram, and then you message me. Who must be a thingy right now? Okay, so let's do this. I'm sending the link. Vote for our first mod. Um, and also the first mod, bro. Honestly, best believe, you will definitely get gifts from me. Like gifts, I will definitely sort you out as a gift. So every now and then you're definitely gonna get a gift just for being a mod, bro. Just for being a mod. So you best believe I'm gonna ask you, give me your Bitcoin, your crypto wallet, or your bank, I'm gonna definitely make sure to out. You know what I mean? So trust me, and you will be my witness. Yeah, you will tell the people. You don't have to tell people anything, but you don't have to. But the first mod, I'm gonna definitely like gift you. I'm gonna say salary. I'm gonna gift you. You know, I'm gonna give a gift and for your input and assistance that you help us in. So eventually, as stream goes on, I'm gonna use the stream to help empower you guys in every other way. So let's go, okay? Don't W in the chat. No W in chat. No W in chat right now, guys. Come on, man. Message me. Vote for our first mod, right? Our first moderator. Message me right now on Telegram. There's the link. Message me on Telegram right now. Okay. I sent the link out. Sent the link out, guys. Just say who you want to be the mod right now. We have we have I'm gonna speak out everyone know who joins every day, right? The ones who I see in the chat. We have Clinty, morning Tandoluto, Tanduetu. Good morning to you. So we have Jason, we have Goth, we have Maverick, and we have Chandler, and we have Kishan as well. Christo, we also have Mandela joins every Kiesh joins every day, Dayan joins every day. Guys, you'd vote, everyone vote for who you want. Who you ever think, just say vote. It's remember it's not the only mod that's gonna be there. We're gonna have more mods. So just vote for who you think must be. It can anyone you think of right now on the group. It can be even be yourself. Oh, it can even be yourself, man. You know, I mean, like if you think you are the one, go for it, guys. Honestly speaking, it's just a opportunity for you guys. We're gonna work together, and also plus we're gonna chat. We're gonna keep in contact, you know, privately as well. It's not like so I'm gonna ask you for your number so that we don't just YouTube. We're gonna keep in contact and you know you're gonna be part of the team. I don't see you as just a like when someone asked you, do you see the people just as a number? I remember who was this I think Kyle yesterday. Like it's just as a number. It's not just a number. That's the thing. It's no just number. It's actually humans, and I really love my flipping community, bro. I love our community. It's like you don't understand, bro. Maybe I'm gonna get it tattooed. Yeah, I'm gonna get it tattooed. Actually, I want to get it tattooed. I'm gonna get it tattooed. Like I'm probably gonna get it tattooed. I have a tattoo here, so I'll probably put it on this side. Or my friend, no, my son is yeah, my son is already here. I'm gonna put something for us here. I'm gonna put something up for you. I'm gonna put something for us to show people that I don't see this as just numbers. I see this as humans. I really love our community. Fucking, I love it so much. You don't understand. I wake up, bro, every morning and God, it's while like some God is my witness. My son is alive. My son is inside, bro. I won't lie to you. My birthday's tomorrow. My birthday's tomorrow, bro. On my life, on my mom's life. I won't lie, and I can't play with my mama, bro. I can't play with my mama. I love my child. My son is there, like he's literally in the room at the back right there. So I can't play with him. Every day of my life, when I wake up, when I sleep, when I as soon as I sleep, as immediately when I wake up, and when I'm sitting down, my wife will be my witness. My family, my mom can be my witness, and every other person knows me personally. Even Jevin who's joined, he knows how much I love our community. It's not just our community. It's just like anybody who comes in as a trader, and I feel for them. I just feel this like I want to help, bro. I want to inspire. I don't care. I just want to see people win no matter what. And I have this thing of I want to help people as much as possible. And I always think about how can I help you guys? How can I help you guys? How can I help you guys? All the time. So while I always think about it. I'll sit on my flipping couch, bro, and I'm watching a movie as a family, right? And then my wife will see that I'm not tapped in this movie, and then she'll just look at me, and I'm watching, and she like knowing in my mind that I'm thinking about the community. I'm thinking about us. I'm thinking about yeah, okay, tomorrow I must do this for them. I must try to do this for them. I must try this, and it's always, always. If I die one day, and I always say when I do die, know that, and you know, death you can't play with death. That's one thing you can't play with. but I just know I have tried my utmost best and keep trying every single day to come up to you guys and just be as transparent to inspire you guys, motivate you guys, educate you guys, empower you at the same time. And I always had very true intentions, purest intention, and that's why I never ever flash my lifestyle. I don't try to flash a lifestyle. And you see, I bought a car, I still didn't flash it on you guys. I still don't want to, because I feel like I just don't want to be that trader who uses that lifestyle to flash, and then people think I'm like trying to like recruit clients and try. I'm not that person. That's why I swayed so much away from that. I try to be this just transparent, show my trade, show my skill. People can say what you want about my trade. You can say I'm a bad trader, you can say I'm a good trader, you can say whatever you want, so long there's someone in this industry or space or view or wherever it is, but someone who's an aspiring trader gets inspired. Some aspiring trader gets inspired by what I'm doing and see that the skill, once you have it, bro, you don't have to be like, I watch this podcast, you don't have to be the mentor, you don't have to be the guy out there. Just get the skill, bro. You don't have to be the one that's always trying to be the best trader. I'm not trying to be the best trader. I'm trying to take care of my family. I just want to feed my family, bro. I want to make sure my son goes to, like, gets the best. I want to make sure my wife is taken care of. I want to show my mom is taken care of. I want to show, like, where I come from is taken care of. And if I can help, like, the community, that's my heart, my biggest heart desire. And of course, I want to be rich as fuck, bro. I want to be rich as fuck. I want to be wealthy, super wealthy. And not wealthy where I sleep in the middle of the night and I'm thinking about, oh, um, like, you worry about things. I want to sleep and know I sleep peacefully, not that I did something wrong to someone. And that's how I always tend to do just the right thing. I always do the right thing because I don't want to have the bad intention, the bad consciousness in my mind. But if one day, if I ever close my eyes and I say this on live stream, best believe this is my chance and opportunity to say to you, I always had and always will have the best of best intention for every one of anybody. And people who's close to me will genuinely know I will always go up my way for them. Always. And that's how you see I got so emotional when Javen the other day donated to me. It was like I got, like, if we got out the, like, we got out, there was two people actually in the world that that took care of things for me. It was, the first person was actually Chris. Shout out to Chris, like, Chris Dix. He was the one person, when I went out to a restaurant, went out together, we had a meeting, and I'm always the one who fights to pay, like fights, and I'll even pay the bill before anyone like even gets to the bill. I'll pay the bill. No one needs to know. I just pay it. That's the only person who I've met who fights to pay the bill as well. And it's not about money. It's not about money. It's not about, I'm gonna look at the chat. I haven't looked at the chat yet. I'm just trying to talk to you guys on my heart. That's the only person who I saw. We both were going at it for a bill. And it speaks about the person itself. It's not about like, oh, who can pay it and who has money. It's just that, like, you do it because it's a good intention. Like, you didn't come like, oh, I'm gonna pay them, or you're gonna pay the bill for me. No, we just do it out of pure intention. Like, we just want to make sure like we take care of the next person. And he was the only person who I went out with who fought with me like that, fought to pay a bill. Like, I'm not gonna lie, guys. That Chris was like, shout out to Chris as well. Chris Dix, he did that, bro, from the 2Gs. Shout out to him. And then it was Jiven, right? Jiven, Jiven was the other person. Jiven, like no one ever sent me like just for no, like, without a service, or without a just a, or must have a product or service or something in return. It was just like thanking you, and it was Jiven on the stream. So for me, it was like, I don't do this for receive something. I just do it because of good intention, like just out of good intention. So all I appreciate of you guys is just to be active, stay disciplined, stay true to yourself. And on the other end, I would say another thing about I would ask you guys is you know everything you do, think about the consequence of it. So anything you do, whether you about when you take like, whether it's trading, whether it's family, whether it's finance, spiritually, psychologically, emotionally, if you're about to take action in life with anything, think about the consequence. That is more important. If you think about, because if you just think about the end goal, you're more likely not to think about what can go wrong. And it's not about being pessimistic or too optimistic. It's just about being realistic, and having logic thinking. So the one of the hardest things for me to learn as a trader was making impulsive decisions, and I saw it on trading. I'm an impulsive trader, so I had to learn over time that I can't be an impulsive trader, because my impulsive decision making that I had would reflect on trading. I just want to get in a trade, and that's why I tell you guys, waiting, being patient for a trade is very good, because again, it builds the characteristics as well. When you make a decision, you're not so quick to make a decision and just jump on it. You make a decision, I'll say passive decision, where you have this end goal, but at the same time, before you take action on it, you weigh out your options to see what's the consequence. If I do this, if I do that, what is the consequence? Like, that's the main thing I would say for anybody if you want to do well in life. um, Rather look at your action and what's the consequence of that actions, weigh them out, the good and bad, and then you take action. So all the time, bro. That is definitely my motive all the time, bro. Like, all times. And that's what way our pure intentions always comes in, and like having a good heart, bro. So yeah, let's look at I just had a rant, bro. What the heck, bro? I just went off so but we're waiting for the trade. We're waiting for the trade, guys. We're waiting for the trade. But anyway, I just went off there. I just went off now to but it's just like, I don't know. Sometimes you have to like just speak out, bro. Like, I don't know, like just speak out, and I don't know, just speak up, bro. Like, I don't know, man. My birthday is tomorrow. Today's my aunt's birthday, so tomorrow I'm 25 years old. It's crazy how life went so fast, bro. It's just crazy. Like, I look back and I'm this 18-year-old boy. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and I'm turning 25. That's 8 years. So I started when I was 18, but you don't count that year. So we count 2019. So you call 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and then I'm 25. It's gonna be 7 years. 7 years. 7 years of this thing. And man, it was a tough one. I'm not gonna lie, it was a tough one. It was a tough one. Would I have chosen a different industry? Yes and no. That's my true answer. Yes and no. Would I have chosen a different industry? Yes and no. Not the answer you probably think. You probably will say, I'll probably say no. But honestly, yes and no. The no comes from, it gave me a lot of experience. It has really stretched me in characteristics wise, and it will stretch you as well. I had downfalls and a lot of not downfall, like setbacks, and a little bit of time out, and setbacks and those things, which really you guys also go through, but the mainstream of media side of trading, the trading industry, don't always show that, but there was times, bro, and I probably spoke about it on podcast, and they probably, I spoke about it on thing on Chris's podcast, and I spoke about it on to few people. There was times, where things got really tough, bro. Like, where you having a bad time on the market, a bad time, bro, a bad time. It was not nice, man. And it was not nice, bro. So at a young age to go through that has really taught me so much on having patience in the market, not being impulsive, thinking about every action I have as a consequence, um, increasing risk on how you feel doesn't necessarily mean gonna make you more successful, and doesn't mean that you have to pay the school fees to become successful. All that industry mainstream things that we think of as traders that they don't always want to talk about, but I see a lot of traders are starting to talk about it now, which is I'm very happy about, that we as traders go through tough times as well, just as much as well. The only thing is, when you look at that Instagram of all these traders, There's always like, oh, there was never a time where they will say, bro, I am broke. Oh man, I lost everything. Man, you know, because they are preying on that they either get more clients, more views, and stuff like that. They never want to talk about because their business is built on clientele, and then they will never say that they've been losing and they lost everything in it, because they know that if they not gonna if they're gonna portray that, who's gonna sign up with them? And you know, when I had my biggest loss, the biggest loss of my life, it was the time where I said, fuck this mainstream. I'm gonna show every fucking one what's the true side of trading. I was crying, and you guys know about the story. I was crying. It was sore. It was hurting. It's the most terrifying time of my life until today. Till today, I still can like relive that moment because it was so harsh. It was too harsh, and I never experienced that in my life. And why I share this is because you yourself might be going through it. You might even still experience it. I just trust that you won't ever experience such things. That my streams will help you in the way that, and my presence here and doing this will help you not to go that way. You know, when the mainstream sets up, I'm sorry, I'm not on the chat right now. I'm just talking. I'm gonna tap in with you guys now. I'm gonna tap in with you guys right now. I'll look at the chat right now. Just give me a second. And the mainstream always tends to sway away from that, you know. So going against mainstream was such a risky point in my life because everyone could have just cancelled me, but you guys didn't. You guys didn't. I was so shocked. There was people who cancelled me. There was people who was like became nasty. You know, people who became like, you can't trade, naysayer, and called me names and stuff like that. It's fine. It was totally fine. You know, because behind that video, behind that phone, behind that laptop of yours, when you're watching the person, you know alone you blew account. You know alone that you also put money in and lost your money. You know alone that you were struggling trading, but when it came to media, it was easy for people to say things, you know, and talk out in that stuff because it's so easy to type on. But you forget about when you sit alone, you also had a downtime, you also lost, you blew a few accounts in it, but no one could see it because you're not maybe on media and you choose not to be. But then the next person, that same person, will judge the person who decided, you know what, I'm gonna show cause and use it as inspiration. And then you get some people who actually really support it, you know. But I was like, you know, that is a point in time in my life, and then traders go through that. Traders generally go through tough times, bro. Like they go through like any other business. There's good times, there's tough times, there's times it's just neutral. And I want you guys to be okay with that, completely okay. Like you see, I'm waiting for this trade. There's no need to rush. The market's gonna run away from you. Like the market's not gonna run away from you. It's something deeper in within you that you need to fix in the mind, in your heart, your actions, because you just want to be in a trade so far. You scared the markets to go without you. Look, the market's been here, bro. The market's been here. It's not going anywhere. The case is it's right in front of you. If you want me to give an impulsive entry, okay, fine, let's take impulsive entry. The case is with that action, there's a consequence that you might have a higher chance of losing, but you also might have a higher reward. Now you're like, okay, I'd rather take that trade. Then okay, then accept the consequence that there's gonna be a day where you're not gonna get trades. You're gonna have more losses, and you're gonna have to try to catch up. So for me, it's like I try to hopefully use this platform to explain to you guys, you know, and use and my experience and over years, like all these years that I've been in the industry. And I always tell you guys yes and no. Why? Because yes, it's I learned a lot from it. It has given me a lot of financial freedom, like a lot of financial freedom, like genuinely a lot, bro. Like I can't be any grateful for the forex market, bro. Like genuinely, I've there's times in the week where I was maybe not active in the free group, right? Or active anyway. I'll just be trading, and then I can like I can tell you like a normal day. I can wake up and decide, yo, I'm gonna like last week I decided like, okay, I'm trying to get down. I just drive to Cape Town. Like I said, I'm driving to fucking Cape Town. Out of nowhere, I woke up, God's truth. I woke up and I said, let's drive to Cape Town. And we drove to Cape Town. Like those type of things that you, like, if you worked in a certain business, you can't just do that. Even if you own a business, if you like your business not over like a certain amount of employees and you the head of the business, like, or you're self-employed and you don't have maybe like a skill like trading, you can't just pack up your bag and leave the business, because you know that you have to check the employees, you have to check the managers and all this stuff, unless your business is to the point where it runs on its own, automated. But with trading, you have that freedom, so that's the good side that I say, like, trading has given me. I love it. But the one side I don't like about trading, I didn't like, is that the culture it came with, the culture, and like I must dress like a trader. It looked that whole thing of the culture thing of what I came into, you know and of course it drove me into like seeing the cars, seeing the lifestyle, the homes, and like the traveling and all these things and flashy things that was portrayed out there when I was a younger kid. I just saw all those good things, bro, and I just didn't see the other side, that it comes with a lot of risk. It comes with these people that are scamming, and they scam, and probably not traders as well. And then me, so naive, and you guys as well, any younger kids here on the stream, I trust me, with all those things there's high risk involved. If they're really genuine traders, there's a lot of risk involved. They won't tell you always. When you do that flipping account, there's high risk involved. When someone is flipping from eggs to eggs, there's nothing wrong with it. It's possible. I don't say it's not possible. It's possible. I've did it myself. I was one of those candidates who also, in the beginning stages, you know, came out and flipping accounts. I was one of those people where I will show you guys, okay, I took 100 rand to 1,000, then I took 1,000 to 30,000 to get 30,000 to like 100,000. I was one of those kids as well, bro. It was like beautiful at that time, but they don't show you that they take it 100 rand, they try to take 1,000, they blow the 100 rand away. They fund again 100 rand, you take it to 1,000, you blow it again. Eventually there'll be 100 rand that goes to 1,000. You're already down 500. So now you only made technically 500 back. You didn't make 1,000 back. So these things, I was one of that kids also who will fund, and you're so excited, so happy, so proud of it, but you're not showing the full story right now. You're not showing the full story, and you're not even educated because you're so young. You 18, you're so young, you're not educated. Okay, I must show the full story about, okay, I did lose this and that. You're just showing like, guys, look, I'm so excited, look, I made this, took this 100 to 1,000 rand. You should have said, I tried 3 times before that and now fishy get it right. Do you see that? That's the problem you had there. But again, guys, you were not educated. Now I will hopefully use this point in time to help you guys to not do that. Do it the right way. Be patient. Don't try to speed up process. When you speed up the process, you actually mess the process up. You mess up your journey in the process because you're trying to speed up the process. And I know it sounds cliche. You're here for trading. I know you're here for trading, but this is trading. This is the truth of trading, the reality of trading, the life of a trader. When you're full-time trader, it's like people don't understand. When you're full-time trader, there's so much more responsibilities on you, and I want you guys to be prepared for it. If you come in, as I say, there's yes and no for me. When I say no, I would have chosen a less stressful industry, you know, and that doesn't make me less of a man that I want to have a less stressful industry. Remember, when you're a full-time trader, all that stress is upon you, bro. Every day, day in, day out. And you're like, yeah, but you made money. Yeah, I made money, but things cost money. It's not like you make 100,000, your life is good, bro. You make 100K. What about your bond? What about your cars you must pay? What about your insurance you must pay? What about your food you must eat? What about the vacations? What about the kids stuff? Your kids in life, like the trust and that. What about all these life insurance? What about all these things that you must take care of? That 100K is nothing, bro. It's nothing. So you can't just say, okay, I make 100K, 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 it's fine. You make 100K, guess what? You need to continue. Life is on. Does wealth stop there? It doesn't stop there. Now that means you're always prompt to risk. And if you and this is where I'm getting with. If you are prompt to risk, guys, That means you must have the ability to every day come with a neutral mindset and act as if you didn't make the 100k, and don't let that determine your decision making again, because that has a consequence. And that whatever you lost yesterday shouldn't come determine your decision making today, because that has a consequence. And that's what I'm trying to teach you guys, that trading has a lot about action and consequence. Because if you're going to allow yesterday to determine what happens today, then guess what, there's a consequence to that. Because if you come to revenge trade out here, guess believe there's a consequence to it. You're more likely to continue losing. So for me, if I had to re-choose my career and go over, it's too late, papa. I can't choose. I just can't like switch over like this. I have to invest into other buzz. I have to invest into other streams. I can't just leave trading because this is the skill I have. I love it. I'm too deep in it. At this point, it's like me and you, we die together. Me and you, we ain't going nowhere, papa. Me and you, we coming, we are gonna be one. It's I do until death do us apart. That is me and you in Forex, so I can't leave it at this point. But if I had to restructure it, best believe I wouldn't have dropped out my studies. I wouldn't have dropped out the studies, because guess what, I would have studied and done training. I could have made all that money while studying. Me, I was a little bit forward. I wanted to speed the process up. I was like, nah, I'm gonna drop out the studies. Guess what I would have done? If I was you right now and you're a student, continue studying. I love studying. Today I'm like, I look back and back to Chris. Me and Chris spoke about this. I said I want to continue my studies, and he is one person who finished his studies and he still wants to continue studying. Me myself, I still want to study. I want to finish that. I want to become a doctorate. I want to have a doctorate in a specific section, but I'll get there. But coming back to that, I would have finished my studies while trading, and guess what that would have done? That would 10x my 10x my process, my journey, because guess what? I wouldn't have the stress of jumping off and just trying to make success quick, because I want to flip account, I want to get this, I want to become self-sufficient, sustainable, and I want to be independent and stuff. I want to make money. I want to have the 100k every month, 200k, 300k. I want to hit the mill. That there goes out the window, because now you're focused on process. You just study, you trade, you capitalize, you put to the side, save, you put wealth, you put it into sections where you learn about wealth. You study financial literacy, you put it to that way, you continue to it, and you finish your studies. You get your job, you work a job, because guess what? It's another source of income. So you continue your job while you're trading, and that while you build up, once you get to a certain point, you know what? You take your money, move into a different business. And this is learned from Shaquel's experience. Me, on the other end, drop out studies, not even fully profitable as it, just profitable, not consistently profitable, just profitable, trying to make it out there. That is the biggest mistake of all traders tend to do, because they're inspired by the culture of trading. And you see to everyone, I'm a dropout, I made success. I'm gonna say the same thing. When someone asks me to interview, they ask you the first thing was, what you did? I say, I dropped out, I made successful trading. Now the next trader comes in, he sees it as a student. Guess what happens? He drops out his studies, he will become successful as a trader. That is not a good thing. That's not action. It's not good. You're like, okay, but you did it. Learn from me. Don't just drop out. Actually, find out if you can become consistently profitable. Build up a stack of wealth for yourself. Let's say, for instance, if you made 100k, can you make at least the entire year's amount of money, 100k every month? Save it up. Maybe use 20-30% per month, because you're a student. You don't have to use all the money. You can still live a basic life. Educate yourself financially, and now you set yourself up for you and your kids and your family. But now you want to speed up the process. You want to leave the job, you want to leave the studies, and you want to pursue this thing full time. That's the biggest mistake we tend to do, man. And it's because of the culture. That's what I'm talking about, the culture of trading. I didn't like that. I don't like it because it has such a big impact on all these traders, and you won't even believe how it has impact on you. Because I bet you believe you've been influenced by the culture. Number one, you want to trade prop firms. Who told you about prop firms? The culture. Who's the culture? The matrix. Who's the matrix? The influence. Who's the influence? The content creator traders. They are the ones. Where did you learn a prop firm? The prop firm they're not the ones who promoted it. They got affiliates, they got promoters to promote the industry, and that's how it came into the industry. That's how it took over. And that's why everyone wants to do that. You see, it's the same thing with every other thing. I'm trying to teach you how one thing can become, literally one simple thing can become a cultural thing in the Forex industry. I spoke about, stylist keys. I don't want to mention it, but let me mention you someone, right? I know people sees a scam. He did something. I don't care what he did, but he mentioned a few wise things. I don't like what he did, so I don't want to talk about it. About 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 Dr. Martin beating his wife up or his girlfriend up. I don't want to talk about that. But the case is, may God deal with that. And it's not right to lift up your hand at the moon, regardless of everything. We don't know the story. But the case is, yes, he whatever he did, great. But stylish is his brother speaks about that. When you in the prophet, come and show you something how a simple thing of culture, trading culture has influence on you. You up in profits. You up a nice amount of profits. What's the first thing you do? Screenshot. 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 You're so proud of yourself. In that moment, you were so proud of yourself that you had to capture the moment. Why didn't you close it at a time? Why didn't you close it at a time? Because you are greedy. And you took that because you post, because the culture does it. You post it also because you also want to post. You also want to post. But now why you didn't close? See how the culture has influence on you? Because everyone is doing it and now you also want to do it. And that's what I'm trying to say, that the one thing I didn't like about trading, I loved everything with trading, but I didn't like the culture. It has influence. It had influence. It still has influence on everyone. On everyone. Regardless, on everyone. If I'm a hedging trader, guess what? And the entire index of the culture of the culture of indices says hedging is not good. Guess what? I'm the bad trader because I'm going against the flock. If I'm a trader trades against, like, say ICT became big, he became like the biggest cult of trading. Everyone trades ICT. I don't trade ICT. I become outfavored. I'm not a good trader no more because I trade trend line. Oh, it's a bad strategy. That's not a good thing. You trade this and this and this. Guess what? Now you're a bad trader because the entire culture said that ICT is the best, and or 10 line was at one point in time 10 lines was the best. And then what eventually happened, a new strategy comes out, a new methodology that comes off by storm. The culture accepts it. That methodology, who remember when you came in 2018 2017, when you came in, it was support and resistance, Fibonacci, psychological levels. Guess what happens? Smart money comes in, boom, culture accepts it, mainstream accepts it, everyone out. So over time, bro, over time this happens, and I bet you guys you all be influenced by it. Always, you left your old methodologies because you're influenced by the new methodology all the time, and that's what we happen when we go in a cycle of doom. It's so quick to go in a cycle of doom. It's because of the culture that we go, the culture that we're watching the influences, watching, like you see this thing. You now watching this. I can either use it for good or for bad. I can either say to you guys, yo, I can try to like feed your mind with a whole lot of bull s, a lot of BS, and that's part of the culture thing. I can rather show you, I can be flexing, I can be doing that, and then you as a aspiring trader also want to do that. You also want to one day have that, maybe not flex, but maybe you want to also just one day have the car and then like take a picture and show you had Forex made it happen. And then you also feel that because you saw it, now you also want to achieve it. You see what I mean? There's nothing wrong with posting the car. Everyone can do it. You can be non-known, but must you be the trader to be like trying to flex and that? Must you be the trader to wear Gucci? Man, my thing is almost the price. This is from Pick and Pay. Must I be the trader? And that's what I'm saying. Like, I didn't like the culture thing because we all have different things we love. I like farming a lot. Né? I love farming so much, bro. It makes me so happy. But in mainstream of trading, if you're a farmer trader, bro, hey, bro, I promise you, you know how much traders like farming, but they won't even talk about it like on media. They will only talk about trading skill, flexing, I made so much money doubling, all these mainstream things, but they won't talk about, like, for instance, farming. Like, you know what? Farming makes more money than flipping trading, bro. Like, there's so much money. People, they make so much money from farming. And it's not about farming. I just genuinely love being at farms, bro. I like being with animals. I like being with, like, I genuinely like to be a dirty person. But because of the mainstream, I can't, like, dirty person, like dirty. Like, the other person say, hey, you like dirty, you dirty. No, I like being like cleaning up after the animals, going there, cutting the wool. I milking the cow. Hey, no diddy shit, diddy party out there. But generally, honestly speaking, I like being at farm. I want to plant stuff. I like being in the soil. I wanna work with the farm, bro. That's what makes me genuinely happy. Nothing of mainstream. But because mainstream is not like pushing that out, you don't see as a successful trader. You're not the one, so you won't become famous. Alex G will become famous. Alex G will become the mainstream. You know what I mean? A Raja Banks will become the mainstream because he's doing what the industry wants. That's the case. That's what I'm trying to teach you guys. You guys don't see it. Like, you see, there was a Lamra. Lamra is kind of like low-key cancelled, right? Every one of them, every one of them go through that. Watch LXG eventually gonna be cancelled. He one simple thing. If it one simple thing is gonna go against the flock, he's gonna get cancelled. Just like Ramro. Raja Banks also been cancelled. Slowly, eventually, they get cancelled, and a new flock, a new flock comes in. A new flock of traders comes in and continues their lifestyle. But it's so refreshing to see a new bait. It's so refreshing to see new bait. You know, bait becomes actually the shark. You know what I mean? It's need to see this one, this small little shark in Yana. It was so small. Now you see him come up. It's nice and interesting to watch it, and he becomes mainstream. And you know why it's interesting? Because he does the things that you want. He does the things that you saw. Like, I see it happen there. Then they get the car. Then he get this, and then he get. It's just a lifestyle. It's just a portraying on the Instagram, on the social media. But behind the scene, you don't know the person, bro. You know what? Once upon a time, John Gotti was once upon a time coming up very nice. John Gotti was pushing. John Gotti is a scam. I don't care what you say, but fuck, John Gotti is a scam. But John Gotti, at one point, everyone was John Gotti. I have the cure to COVID. At one point, John Gotti said, I had a cure to COVID. I got the cure to COVID. You need to get sanitized with my bot. Everyone was by John Gotti 2020, bruh. 2019, 2020, and 21, you see John Gotti going up. Ba. Eventually, what happens, you start seeing this guy is cancelled. He's no more the hype. He's tried every time. Now he bought a jet. Yeah. They go to the extents, bro. They keep going to the extent because they need to keep up. They need to keep up with the industry. And if you're not the hot thing, there's someone else who's next. He's not going to be the bait. He's coming up. He's going to be the mainstream himself. So, that lifestyle, it's going to catch up. You know, one point it was Dr. F. Wayne. It was hot stream. Gone. Siba, once upon a time, gone. It's the mainstream. You see, the thing is, they're there, but they're pushing now. They you know, you start realizing, Ref Wayne is not dumb. He's smart. Siba's not dumb. They're smart. They pull back, and they start realizing things. They start investing money in other things because they start realizing this thing of. Have you seen Siba come out and reflex again? New cars, and new things, like flexing lifestyle every time. Nah, he hold back, bro. You think Lesiba is sleeping? Lesiba is not sleeping, bro. Lesiba got a little smart. Lesiba read books. He's reading books. He started realizing, oh, there's not financial literacy. The people here, they want all these things. Bro, I can't do that. He pulls back. He invests money into businesses. He's going, I know, you all can see where he went in that. You know, he went in businesses. He's like, let me go to the business side of things. Let me rather push this thing. You see? And again, guys, same with Ref Wayne. Ref Wayne is not dumb. Ref Wayne is smart. He thought about things. Let me hold back. Whether they did whatever they did, I don't approve whatever they did. I'm not here to talk about it. The thing is, there's gonna be that point in time where the culture pushes in a new person and pushes out a new person, an old person. Then they want a new person every time, so the audience keeps entertained. Keeps entertained. Do you know the Forex industry? Come and tell you about the Forex industry. The brokers. And this is what I'm talking about. They call it implants in the broker. I don't know. The broker space will finance these people's cars. Will finance or buy these people's houses. It's not even their house. They'll finance their clothes. They'll finance their trips. You won't believe it, but I'm telling you it. They will get to the point of where this person, they believe in this person, they'll sculpture him for you to be the mainstream. Then they know this person will bring more money into them because the flock are losing. So we need to bring on our side. Let's put a new person up. And over time, bro, that became the mainstream. So who is the one to blame? You guys, because you guys keep feeling the same shit. You guys go enjoy it. You guys keep enjoying it. If you don't enjoy that shit, guess what happens? It dies out. Because now you setting your belief up. I need transparency. I need someone who really trades. I need someone who shows in and out everything. You need to start being that person. It starts with you. Don't entertain those things, man. So again, guys, I'm not you to cancel anyone. I'm not talking about it. I don't want to mention. Shouldn't have mentioned names because I don't want to mention names. I'm not targeting anyone. I'm just trying to give examples of, like I respect LG. I respect him, but at the same time, you know what? I'm gonna talk about that again. I respect someone. I respect everyone, but I don't want to disrespect anyone. So I stick in my own lane, but I use that as examples of mainstream. Right now, everyone, for example, talks about LG, but a few years ago, everyone was talking about Q banks. What happened to Q banks? What happened to Q banks, man? What happened to Q banks? Q banks was mainstream, bro. Q banks was the goated of goated. Everyone knows him as like more of a godfather right now. You guys know Anthony was once upon a time mainstream before even his Q banks. Anthony Worlds was mainstream before even his Q banks. Astro FX. Let's go into Astro FX of Sean Lee and Nate. What happened to them? They were mainstream. They were the godfathers of this industry, bro. International wise, they were like worldwide. The mainstream. What happened to it? What happened to it? Everyone goes back. Everyone goes back. Eventually, you have new bait coming in and fulfill the same thing. The cycle continues. It doesn't change. The cycle continues. So again, guys, don't be the bait. Don't go that way, man. And that's why I went over rash. But again, guys, let's choose the moderator, man. Let's choose the moderator. So I want to share to you guys. You know what? I want to say honestly, I honestly want to say to you guys, I wish everyone the best of best. I'm still waiting for my trade. It's only 10. It's 8 minutes past 10. We're gonna get the trade. We're just looking. If it's not gonna be here, um, I have to watch if it does this because if it breaks above 8 at a time, then it's probably gonna have to be from this side. But we're gonna see what happens. So I'm watching the trade. I am watching the chart as well as it's going, guys. So don't stress. I am watching the chart. But again, guys, I hope that really gives you guys some perspective of what I call the matrix in the trading industry, the mainstream, um, the trading industry, and that's what I don't like about it. So I would have chosen something else. I would have chosen I would have chosen to become, you know, my dream was always to become an investor eventually, but like over time, and to work in the finance world. I'd chose something in the finance. Most like I thought media is definitely what makes my passion. Um, but I would say one thing I would say is I would say probably finance, like the finance, not forex, but the financial industry. Like maybe like to work inside the finance. I would study something there and eventually do something there. Most likely, and then eventually branch for my own as a business, But I think that's yeah, vibe. Bro. I haven't reading the chat events, bro. It's crazy. Let me. This is yo. I didn't read the chat. I'm reading chat right now. I'm reading chat right now. I will just went off now. I'm thinking I'm gonna choose the person right now for the mod. Okay, moderator, and then I have another thing to mention for you guys, which is what I'm gonna do on the stream every day to make it more transparent with you guys, and you guys can tap in that way. Okay. So it's gonna be, I think that's gonna be the pinnacle point of transparency, what I'm about to do right now. Okay. um I was here. Where do I start? Rock paper scissors. We been re- yeah, you're right, bro. If you brag now, tomorrow you have nothing. It's safe to eat humble pies. Yeah. Tomorrow you can eat liquor. Tomorrow you can just come, you can buy your liquor. Just in your just easy. Like we are here. Very good reason we've been here, and that's should say a lot about who you are, man. I thank you so much, man. I thank you so much. If you ever spend time with Shakes in person, his mindset will rub off on you like crazy. Thank you so much, Alton. Yeah, Alton worked with me when I like the crazy part. That's someone believe in the vision, is like Alton example when I had the home in Cape Town at Westbrook, in Gleamore section or Athlone, yeah. So you know, when I think about then, I think about like I had this vision. I said, "Yo, Alton, I have like a I want to open up like a trading office at my house. We're gonna change the whole. It's a nice big room. We're gonna change it the whole. It's like actually was the main bedroom. I said, look, I'm gonna change the whole main bedroom into like an office. I'm gonna buy like monitors, all the chart setups, and like it's gonna start somewhere. We're gonna start somewhere, office chairs, and like we're gonna make it into a complete trading office, bro. Would you join me? Um, I had to convince Alton a bit. I said, bro, come on, bro. Just try, bro. You'll be here with me. You can take, yeah, like, I'm trading. I make money on trading. You can come. You can like learn as well, and you know, and eventually, like, you help you get funded and all these things, bro. And like, Alton would know alone. Alton was actually working very close with me, very very closely with me. If you go to my Instagram, my Instagram was taken down. I was my old. Maybe I have videos of Alton. Come, I'll show you guys who's Alton. Come, I'll show you guys who's Alton. Is Alton's on the live? Yeah. Come on, show. Alton, I probably have videos of you. Huh? Let's see. Pictures and videos of Alton. Yerzy. Altoniana. Let's see, is Alton over here. I have probably pictures and videos of Alton. Alton. Let's see. Who made this? Who made this? Alton. This picture stuff. Who made this? Who made this? Alton. Well, Alton, I still have your pictures though. See here. Made by design by Alton. Look there, Alton. Shout out to Alton. Guys, go support Alton on his graphic designs. He does this. He did it for me. It's a wallpaper. I can send it to you guys as well if you want it. It's a winning streak thing. I love this. I love this so much. Shout out to Alton. I'm gonna see if I have pictures of Alton right now. Yeah, I do. In 2022, yeah. Alton, do you remember this one? Do you remember? Yeah, look at Alton. Oh, Alton. Oh, Alton. Let's give it down a jabba in the chat with Alton. You see, guys, it's more than just number, man. This is like human, bro. This is human. You see, I like this is not just a number. Let that be. Say, I felt yesterday, but I didn't like that when someone said that. This is when we went on an outing. Oh my gosh, Alton, remember this? You remember? See, I don't talk about what I did, but for example, Alton will tell you exactly. Like this is, for example, I took our team out for a bit of a relaxing after the week. I said, guys, let's go and actually, but go enjoy, a bit of a hotel and stuff like that. And I took the team out there, for example. That is example like a simple thing we did. Like man, it was crazy. Bro. It's so crazy how things goes. It's crazy. I'm trying to find the more of this. Just trying to find. I'm now with the chat. Yes, like it. And there's Dutch, guys. This is Dutch. This is Alton's favorite boyfriend. That's Alton's favorite boyfriend. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Oh my word. It's amazing to see like how things just move. But yeah. But yeah. We move. We move. Anyway, let's go back to the chat. We out here. Let me see quick. Um guys, Maverick says there's 60 people in the chat, like, and with like 16 likes. Bum those likes up. Wow, thank you. I see it's 34 already. Jabo for the chat for the Alton. Yeah, man. Um, okay. Let's see out here. I'm just reading all the chat. I'm going from the top down, guys. So I'm gonna get to the most recent chat right now. Mandela, you truly inspiration, man. I appreciate you, bro. Let's see. Alton, okay, I read that. Okay, it's humble from whom God will exalt, but as long as people exalt Himself, God will not exalt them. So true, bro. I agree with you. I do. That's from the Bible, bro. That's Bible. Amen. Bro, you the one that reads. Amen. Thank you so much. Same here, bro. This thing called train is massive roller coaster ride. It's true, very true. I've been trained 6 years. God says it's been trained 6 years and still believe my breakthrough is coming. Just keep persisting. Just keep persisting. Just keep persisting. You know what the breakthrough is? It's in the mindset, which result to discipline. That's the main point, bro. I promise you, just discipline because you can be. You know how many times you call it a good trade. Just think about how many times you call a good trade out, but then maybe you didn't have the discipline, you know, to use proper risk management, or you didn't have the patience, which is part of discipline. You know, that is the parts that really holds us back from actually reaching that full potential as a trader. It's the discipline, the mindset, psychology, and that's why I will give you guys a free session. Like I'm gonna shout, you're gonna read there. But this is what makes you so special, boy, because you real, you don't pretend, and people need to know the downside of training as well. You grew so much from it. For Shakespeare's birthday, I'll give 10 people a free coaching session. Amazing, great stuff. Yeah, since my birthday's tomorrow, guys. Also, if I'll give 10 people like it's I'm thankful. I'm thankful. As she says here, you know, my mom is a coach, right? Actually, so if you guys don't know this, but I'll share this with you guys. Mom is a life coach, right? She does life coaching. So I'm very blessed to have someone like her that has impact on me, you know, in a way that she knows a lot about the trading cycle. She knows about me, and then she also is good at life coaching. She's a life coach. So you know, recently she spoke to 150 kids, bro. Like recently, like 150 high school. She's literally, I don't talk about, but I can't talk about it now, but I think I can share but about it. But my mom is in like even helping schools, bro. Schools, you know. So she's really good at what she's doing, and I think if you that'll be a very nice thing of you, ma. If you can maybe help them. If you guys want it, you know, just let me know. You guys have my Telegram. Just say you don't. No one needs to know that you're gonna have a life coach session. You can just message and then I will pass you over to her. I'll give you a number. I'll give her your number. I'll give you her number, and then you guys can message her as well. And then you know, like that's the thing about the stream. That's about us. Like we genuinely want to help you guys. Like genuinely want to help you guys. Like I think those interested can message him in my for my details. Yes, man used to flip like 3K to 10K on Nasdaq. Yeah, I used to do like Elton remembers I used to do so crazy. I used to do some crazy flips, man. Oh my gosh. Um, yeah, Doctor Sakak, you really inspire me. Just as I was going to give up, I saw the podcast of Tujas and it changed my mindset. I can't thank you enough for the kind of person you are. Your mom raised you well, bro. Man, thank you. And I think you know what, I thank you so much, so much, like actually so much for giving me a shot and trying. Because the one thing is, I always say it's a risk, you know, it's a risk to try. Because how many times have you probably tried someone out and you get to them and it's like you can't connect, you don't connect because it's not organic, you can't have like a real connection. Like I see like a sitting, bro. Like me and Jeff, we're looking at our offices, right? And we can see like traders when we streaming, we can see like some of the people who's watching us come, who says that I'm in P, can I come? They can like sit there and they're like, we're all sitting and we're talking, like I'm on a stream here, but maybe they close to us, they can join us, they're sitting here and we're talking like, and we chat like this, and somebody came on the stream, they're talking, and so like I can see this whole thing because man, that's just organic. It's just organic, bro. We all traders. Slow growth is better than no growth by Daniel, which is true. This is why Shaq is the best mentor. He's not bullshitting anyone. You all should be happy you came across Shaq. Thank you so much, Garth. Thank you. He did all the work, and I'm proud of him and able to touch the lives. Yes. Hey. Yeah, you can put it on. Put the microphone. My wife is asking, can she put the microwave on? She put the put the microphone on. We are streaming at home. I'm still going to work overseas for 2 years for some capital. Yes, go for it, bro. Go for it. Don't let the mainstream decide what you must do. Go for it, and there's nothing wrong with working, bro. Uh,
Let's see. This is an interesting perspective, especially since the culture likes to push the notion that studying is a waste of time. It's so true, bro. It's so true. It's so true. You have a bug? I'm catching up. I'm trying to catch up with all the chats. Hi, Weber. Thanks for the generous offers to assist us grow. On which platform should we message? Message me on Telegram, and then I'll give you a number. I'll give you guys a number. Okay, we're still waiting. We're gonna wait for this, guys. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Um, I'm inspired by Patrick. No, no, he won the trading world twice, and he's always on top five. But you'll never see him on a podcast. He's living private life, which is so true. That's my desire to be at that point, you know. But I like having a stream. This is why I went this way. I went this way because I don't have to be a big I don't have to be like an Instagram person and portray lifestyle on there. No, no, no. I can just stream, and people really want to just come for trading itself and like psychology and really growth is streaming. Like I don't have to do anything of like content and pushing like a lot of like no off that. Just trading, simple trading. Whether you don't want to be patient, don't like my type of trading, and don't want to wait, then I can't help you. Unfortunately, this is the truth of trading. You have to wait. I can't push this market to go down. I can't say, hey, come up, come down. Like I can't do that. So this is this is trading. This is trading, bro. The part of trading, we wait for like for the month for 30 days to get paid. Why can't you wait for like an hour to get paid? Why? What's the difference? Like why? And this is psychological shift. You know, when we came to train, we wanna speed up the process, and I hope that maybe gives us a bit of a. There's a dirt in it, so that's why I don't tell people I trade. Yeah, Mr. 350 says I'm with you on that farming vibe, 100%. Shout out to Jabu Alton. I should design do more. Yeah, man. Look here. The thing is, Alton. If you look, I'm gonna okay. If you design like you can design for stuff, you don't know who you meet on here, bro. Like I genuinely say, like, bro, you good in your flipping designs. People don't know you are even designing cartoons, bro, for like cartoon shows. You did something for Cartoon Network, but bro, like people need to like. Here's a platform you never know you meet on. Like you didn't know. Remember, there's people behind this thing. You don't know who is here behind, bro. Someone could just be that one person who's in good business. He sees your design and boom, bro. He's like, let me reach on Alton and hear you every day on a stream as well. So one person can like you don't know. You guys can connect with each other. You don't know. I want you guys to connect with each other because if you guys connect, you can actually create things. We can create things. It's not just Shaquille. It's us. It's we together. We as a community will create things and network. And like yourself, you Elton, you a good editor, bro. You a good not more graphic designer. You're a good graphic designer, bro. You design goods very, very good. And I always believed in you. That's how I always said to you, bro. Continue making content. I say push this thing out. Continue pushing out your work out because I believe, bro, you are very good in your stuff. Yeah. Jabu for the first shout out to Kelton. Elton, have a bark? Have a buck? Oh, a buck. I said a buck. I'm like a buck, a buck. Nah, it's more of the dog has Alton as a buck. You know, Alton is not. Look at that dog loves Alton so much, bro. So much. No duty, please. Check. I'm off. I'm dropping off. I have a session at school now. I will give the 10 people who need help with dealing with mental and emotional part of training a free session in celebration of your birthday. Thank you so much, so much. Really appreciate you. Home food, home bro, food Shaq's wife. Morning, Jabu Jabu gang. Morning, man. Enjoying the stream. Thank you so much. I'm grateful that you joined the stream. So, guys, we have the stream. Let's start off with the guys' messages. Let's see who's gonna become the mod. Uh, okay. I see you guys message for the session with my mom. Okay, let me give you a number. Hey bro, hope you're well blessed. I don't know what your name on stream, but if you let me know your name, I won't spell it out. But anyway, man, I'll send you a number out and then you can message her. Okay, let me send you through a number. Just let her know you from the stream, and then she'll help you out. Okay. I'm replying to you guys quick. Uh, okay, I take it in and I've noted. I'm gonna write you down your vote right now. Let me write down the vote. I'm replying to you guys on Telegram quick. Um, Let me write it down here. Let me write it down here. I'm gonna write it down. While we wait for this trade, let's do this quick. I'm gonna write down quick the people's votes. Okay, and I'm not going to cheat it. I'm gonna show you guys as well. I won't cheat it. There's no reason for me to cheat it actually. I just have to write it down quick so I can see how many times who votes for who. Guys, again, if you guys want to vote for your mod, who must be the first mod? Because I don't know who to choose right now, guys. But you can vote for your first mod. Um, it's currently right there, the mod for the YouTube stream. Okay, you're more than welcome. You can vote for yourself if you think it must be yourself or anyone else from the chats. You can see who's more active. And okay, so votes. Let's see. We're gonna have our first vote. I'll vote for election. Yeah, let's vote election. Thank you, babe. Election. Election for our first. We're not gonna call it mod. We're gonna call it mod. Okay, let's leave for mod for now. I was gonna say president of mod. President of mod. President of mod. He's the first mod. So president of mod, or he or she. We're gonna find out. So yeah, it's pinned right, guys. Vote for our first mod in the stream right now. You can just message president of NAS, president of mod. Let's see. So we're gonna check out here in chat. Let's not feel shy to smash a like. Man, oh man, you guys so sweet. Let's check out. I'm going to. Okay. I see you. I'll write it down. I'm typing. I'm sending the voice out to everyone. Okay, so let's reply into the chat. So we have one for. I'll put it as. Man, okay, Mandala. And we have another one for Raiz Malik. Yes. Okay, let's see there. Um, let me send Raiz quick this. Um, Here we go. Malik, just message that number on WhatsApp. That's my mom's number, no? Okay. Guys, I'm responding to the Telegram messages that you guys send in. So if I'm sending a voice note, I'm sending a voice note to you guys. Okay. So let's see. Send me the link from Instagram. How about that is for them? Okay. I see who you guys like already. I see you guys. Who are you guys? Definitely. You know what, bro? I already. The most people I think are actually asking for you to be the mod. Um, I'm gonna just confirm. Just confirm, bro. Actual fact, most of them are asking for you to be the mod. It's crazy. Um, I can't. I'm not gonna say it right now. I'm first answering one, but so far I've got majority for those one person actually. There's yeah. So shot the yarn. I got your vote also in, broski. Is three there. Yes, sis. Four. They like AYC. I got your vote in. Cheers, bro. Let's see. Yes, sis. How this guy? He's definitely president. Hey, Kyle, I got your vote, bro. Skinner. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Hey, boo. Sheesh. Alton, let's go. I got your vote. Aibo. Hey, see ya. Uh, Yeah, mainly I see majority is asking for him. Actually, okay. I got you. I got you. Okay. Maverick, Maverick, guys. I'm typing out. I'm now with the chat. I'm just typing out the names on the chat on the. Okay, number 11. Here, this. I'm telling you guys. So from the looks of it, guys. From the looks of it, honestly speaking, oh, the market is looks like it's gonna break above. Let's see if we're gonna get the breaker. From the looks of it, guys. Honestly speaking, from the looks of this, right, right now, right now, right now. Okay, from the looks of it, let's give a drum roll. From the looks of it, everyone voted for Goth. Majority voted for Goth. So let's give it to Jabu Jabu out for Goth right there. Well done, guys. We have our first official mod. Official ever. Well done. Goth, I hope you stick up to it, guys. So the first mod gonna be shout out to Goth out there. Well done to you, broski. And as a gift, I'm gonna, of course, I'll send you something as a little bit of gift, something out there as a gift for you, bro. And then just as thanking you also for being part of the community, and then also for the community, we're gonna drop out something for you guys as well. Okay, so just be patient. Well done, Gothman. Welcome, bro. Jabu Jabu saw it coming. I saw it coming, bro. The thing was, I looked at the votes on Telegram, like just like literally the messages is majority. There was, okay. I'll tell you who was it as well. People voted for Mandela, Goth, and then there was what's Maverick, Maverick, yeah, Maverick or Maverick, yes. But Mandela came in, and Goth is number one. The Goth majority of the votes, literally majority of the votes. Not a what a lie. It's crazy. But Goth, we'll have a call after the session. Maybe not after the session. I think I'm gonna just be busy, but then I'll message you when you're free, and then we take it from there. And then we can just check up with you because I know you're probably busy or so. And then I'll check, in. Then I have maybe another. We can talk about it. We'll just see with how we can help and what we can do, and from there we take it from there, broski. Okay. Yeah, I'll be your assistant. There we go. So those are three people. uh, I vote you all out. Hashtag abuse of power. Yeah, already president, and you're already doing that. Awa. God, don't let them come with, like, how do you call it? Don't let them, like, overtake us, bro. Like, they might just overthrow us the throne, bro. Don't do that on day one, bro. You gotta come out like, I have the shidiri oil. You gotta come out, tell them, guys, like, I promise you, I'll provide the shidiri oil. I promise you, I will provide this. You have to make those promises, guys. And then, when it comes to time of election, you're gonna say, it's coming, it's keep coming, I'm coming, it's coming. Bring the taxes, and it'll come. At an appointed time, you say, at a point in time, it will come. It's never coming, but at the point in time, it's coming. Yeah, the Diddy oil. Yeah, the Shadidi oil, man. You gotta promise him that I ordered 2,000 bottles for the chat. Yo, let's go. Guys. We are, the market is breaking this area right now, so I want to see how the market actually, um, let's say, how it reacts at this point in time right now. Honestly, I want to see what's gonna happen here, because right now the market is still holding this area over here. Honestly speaking, it's still holding this area, and I want to just see how the market's actually gonna react on this side. Okay, so I want to have a look at this, but honestly speaking, I want to see if we're gonna have any move over here. But again, guys, if I don't get a chat, if I don't get a trade in the live, if I don't get a trade in the live, best believe I'm gonna probably have to update you guys in the free group. That's the best thing I can do, because I know you guys or year. We're waiting for the trade, but I don't want to force any trade as of yet, because right now the market is just doing its thing, and it's ranging at this point in time. So I want a clear break above. Once more clear breaks is above, especially on 30-minute time frame. We have a 30-minute time frame. You can see this range is very clean on this section, very clean range. And after a clean break, we have one direction, one way go. So we have a clean break, a clean range. After this break, we're probably gonna get a trade. So if it clearly breaks down, I know I don't want to take a counter trade. I rather want to get the big trade in, man, guys. I really want to get the big trade in. So I want to go with the direction of the market. On the other end, looking at, let's go with the US30. Just check what is US30 up to. US30 on the other end, guys. Let's see what's happening right here. Let's just go to monthly just to see what are we on the monthly. There we go. We're on the monthly high. The monthly high today, which is above the monthly high. We took out the monthly high, creating complete highs. Daily on there, you can see the daily. We are very close to the monthly high again. So with that being said, I'm thinking that monthly high, we're probably gonna get a clean retest on it, and then we're gonna get a move off from it. So I'm thinking about from here and then a clean move. So in the New York session, you're probably gonna see market pushed back down all the way here, in the New York session, probably in this area, and then we're gonna try to clear out probably this range. You see this range right here, well, this range, not a range, but this movement over here. So for me right now, I'm thinking that this impulsive move all the down range, and then from here we're probably going to see market continue going up. Remember that midweek we get a reversal. So right here we had Tuesday, and then Wednesday right here. No, we're gonna get the reversal back up. So Monday push up, Tuesday push down, and then Wednesday we're gonna get that continuation of a move up. So for me, honestly speaking, looking back at the weekly time frame, remember that this weekly was bullish here. So I'm looking at this weekly should probably continue a bullish momentum, or close bullish. That's the ideal way, because you know how we use the previous candles. So we should still see that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This should be Friday ending off with a pushback, trying to go back up. As well, because we did take out the monthly high, but when we usually take out monthly high, you'll see every time it takes out a monthly high. Here we have, when it takes a monthly high, it has a retracement, tries to go back up, have a full retracement, then go up again. So I'm trusting that when it takes this retracement, it takes this monthly high out here, it uses it as just to push back up. Okay, so however, it can want to have a little bit deeper retracement. So it's again, in like any trade you do take on any other day, guys, it's gonna be a high risk trade anyway, so it is on a level here. But I'm do thinking that in New York session we're going to see market coming to here, and we're going to continue pushing up. Okay, guys, that's my views on I've been holding USD since yesterday. I thought let's swing this looks like we're targeting the previous monthly high on gold. Yes, 100% on monthly on gold again, guys. We are going to be going up to highs. That's why I'm saying, like, I'm looking for either test here, but if it breaks above here impulsively, then I'm probably gonna have to take a trade up into the highs. All right, so that's what I'm saying, that I am looking either again for a push down to here, and then from this exact price over here, the exact price of on the side of 2670, I'm gonna look for to take a buy off from that, right? And then of course the monthly high will be the main target, right? However, again, if it doesn't come all the way there and it impulsive, if that it has a big bullish candle impulsively out here on the 30-minute time frame close outside, then definitely we're gonna start looking for buys on the low time frame up from there, regardless. So here I don't want to be getting in a trade, because it can want to come all the way back down now to the test, or if it does, just push up and then get on the side when it clears that range rather. Okay, may you share kindly your thoughts on that? Let's go on that as well. So Nasdaq, going on to Nasdaq, let's see Nasdaq. What is Nasdaq is at the entry level, but let's just look at it quick again. Just need to check it quick out, daily wise. Okay, Nasdaq still didn't come to the all-time high, so there's still that all-time high right there, guys. However, Nasdaq on this side Still a lot of bullish momentum, bullish, push, bullish, and now one more time push. So coming back to this, I would say to you on a lower time frame, 30-minute time frame, looking at it, same things like I was saying, push down. I'm looking at the entry level right now. Let's put off this Asian range for us. It doesn't confuse us. We're right now at the entry level, but on the 30-minute time frame, we're breaking below it. So since we're breaking below it with rejections, not as impulsive, I'm saying, in the New York session, let's see, in the New York session, I'm trying to see if I can get something for you guys on this one quick. Go the 1 hour. Impulse, let's do this quick. Okay. So right now we are at the very key point, I think, at this point, because it's going to determine if we're going to get actually a continuation low, or is it going to respect this and then go up. So for me at this point in time, I wouldn't take a trade here, but I would look at for a trade either if it actually at the day level. So New York session being the same thing, push down and then we go back up, right? So it's either going to be that, or if it that's the main thing I can think of right now, is the fact that because we have still bullish of last week, is my mind is just saying daily level, because we at this key point area, we're at the area of a inter level, but we still have the New York session to kick in. So New York session tends to always push a little bit lower and then go up. So I'm thinking that New York session, see the daily level there, and then we can get a continuation up. I'm still seeing this should continue a bullish momentum daily wise. I don't get fooled by these small candles, so I'm still saying that this should continue probably a bullish momentum up. So for me, being saying it's probably this year for in the New York session and then continue back up. So I'm still looking for that basically. Okay. Let's see, German 30. Let's see on the other side, guys. Looking too long on USD when it breaks Asian high with 32,750. I'll check that out also. We're officially on German 30. Like I said, we're gonna take out a monthly high. We did take monthly high out, guys. Very clean, nice, and we're back at this area. So on the 4 hour time frame, you can see it. We have a very clean trend that it was. When you take trades against us, it's actually a counter trading on the major time frame. So we're at a very key point right now. If you look at it, actually, you'll see that we have a very, very key point of trading. With that being said, guys, I would say since it's retracing nicely down, go on a lower time from like 30-minute, 1 hour, 30-minute, 1 hour. You can see 30-minute more cleaner. On the 30-minute time frame, you'll see there's a little bit of counter trend right here we have, which is gonna be this right here. You can see that counter trend right here, right? We have a little counter trend right there, and markets coming down. So I would say don't just take a buyer for up, don't just take a buy for up movement. You want to watch how it comes here. Is it impulsively coming down? You need to see something where it tests on this trend line. Okay, let's say it tests on this. Let's fix this actually. It tests on this trend line. I want you guys to look how actual it's retesting this trend. So let's go fix this all the way up towards there. There we go. Now I want you to look at when it comes towards here, it comes with the rejection. You want to see market come with a rejection towards the end. If you don't just get it off here, you get it at a level of an entry level. So for instance, let's say for instance you don't feel comfortable here because it missed this weak level. You just wait for it to take off, and then from here you look for the buys. Now with that being said, in the New York session, right? Of course you're not going to get such a big move all the way up here, guys, realistically. So that means that on a lower time frame, you either just going to have a move to the downside right here, and then from there you get back up. So I would say wait for this rather to come into here. It's in the no trade zone. Rather wait for entry level or the trend line, then eventually get a trade. For now, just leave it. It's not there yet. I'll say wait for entry level. It just came off the monthly high over there. So for me, looking at this point in time this morning, it did come off the monthly high over there. So if you look at it, break, it came tested, it's back there on 5 minute time frame. You can see the push over there. I think we're just too focused on gold at a time. We're just too focused on gold. I think just too focused on gold. But you see that spike very clean spike over there on that, and eventually trail its way back down. So there it pushes all the way down, breaks it, and this is what I'm talking about. So you see where it breaks a candle that touches, this is a big candle over there, but you see when it clears that candle, and then there it is like a nice test behind it, so just this move you can, is a quick move down. That was a quick one is a two, and then the market traces back up. Now market traces back up, retests this entire area, and again, that's why I say rather wait for market. Let's see on the lower time frame, 30-minute time frame, where we're at. There we are. So again, since we tested we coming back down, I'll say wait either for it to come back to entry level or the trend line. Mainly the entry level, because it will throw a wick at this area and to that area there, and then from there I say trade it right back up. Nasdaq on the other end, same thing like I said, we're at the entry level. However, we breaking with very small candles. We're not impulsively breaking like that, a nice impulse. We are breaking with small candles. However, if you want a bit of a risky entry, there is risky entries, guys. You can take a risky entry on the lower time frame. The risky entry will be just when market tests here, just to hopefully take a continuation down. So there's an impulse, small candles going down. Nice, this is a nice impulsive candle. So we just see maybe a candle. If you want to take a impulse entry, a nice one, take it down to there. Okay, so something to this effect could also work. However, you want to watch out that this is a little support, so you want to watch out that area. Okay, so you want to maybe see our marking take this trade to the downside. Okay, guys, so that is what I'm looking at right now. But again, the main thing for this is going to be wait for the down, for the push up. But I would say if you want to get a scalp down, you can scalp this down. It just broke literally. It's the same rule as every other day. Market break below, but the thing is, look how it's breaking below. That's my other thing. It's going to be impulsive, but look at this. It's breaking, closing, breaking, closing. It's literally breaking and closing. So that's what I'm saying. Look at the break. It's just testing this area. It's not really closing below and just closing with nice clear wicks. Clear bodies. On gold, back to gold. Gold is finally looking like it's breaking above, so maybe we can get a trade on gold. Just depends on if we're gonna get a nice trade on the side on the lower time frame. So on the 5 minute, I'm looking for a nice candle to close right at the back. 30-minute time frame, and then on the 5 minute time frame for the retest, and I'll take the buy. Either gonna be off this side, and then having a nice tight stop. At least I'll say if the candle gives me a nice area to enter, I'll have either below here or gonna have it a little bit tighter, and then at least 100 pips right there, something like that, and then I'll take it in. But for now, I wouldn't take it right here. I won't take it here, guys, because even though it looks like a retest, it's not yet fully breaking the 30-minute time frame. So the 30-minute time frame must close. There's 10 minutes for this thing to close. That can just be a rejection and pull right back down. So that's why I don't want to take a trade as of yet, because I know this top area, it just can be rejecting. Can do this, reject, come back down, go up, reject, come back right down. So it's rather best to wait for clear candle close, and once the candle closes, you look on low time frame. In the next 10 minutes, we have still 10 minutes. Once the candle close, then we start taking our trades. We're looking for either a buy up, even it retests. Okay, that is on that side. US30, back to US30, guys. Let's look at US30. US30, same thing, same. We are not in a area right now, guys. We literally in the middle of nowhere. If you do look at let's look at the Asian range quick. You can see Asian range literally, it's spiked down, come back in, test in, right back. It's just in the middle of nowhere right now. So I would say let's rather wait for it to come to a key area. Once it comes to a key area, then we can start taking trades of this one. Okay, guys, so I would say rather wait for this thing to come to a key area. If you want to get a hyper scalp on this, guys, we can get hyper scalp like this. Okay, this is what I told you guys the other day. So between these levels, you're gonna have your precision levels on like that, and then this would have to be a precision, like a breakdown, okay, and then testing, and then push down. Didn't fulfill it yet, so still here. This can probably be still the push down towards here where we look for the buy. Same like Nasdaq. So again, on the 5 minute time frame, it didn't test on the London session. So with that being said, I would say it would be nice to get a trade from the top area, then trade it down. But for now, it's still not there. That's why I say just it's in the middle of nowhere. It didn't test the area in the London session, so we just gonna wait and just be patient. I like to feel confident about my trade. If I don't feel confident about my trade, then I don't take it. I don't even want to bother taking a trade because then I don't understand. Because sometimes, believe it or not, sometimes I don't even understand the market. Sometimes I just look at the market and I'm like, I don't understand what's happening, man. What is happening? Let's look at EUR/USD rather. EUR/USD. Let's see if there's anything on this side as well. This is a nice push down. I'm gonna just do something on this on USD just to see if we can put up our levels quick, and then we can have it quick done for us as well. Um, a monthly. This is last month. There we go. Last month we're gonna take this one over here. We'll have monthly high, monthly low over there, and then we have again our next levels right here. Okay, so we already have market pushing all of this crazy. The next thing I'll put is from this level to this level. You can put a 50 over there so we can see where we're at right now, and then we can do another one 50 right there on top as well over there. Okay, I'm gonna just put the monthlies and the weeklies on just for now, just to see how the market's reacting to it on this lower time on this time frame. Let's see daily time frame. Okay, we just broke down. No retest on the daily. We just broke. Okay, here we go on 4 hour. Let's see what's happening on the 4 hour. We broke down. Nothing. Break. Continue. Okay, we're just testing. Right now we broke down this area. So we broke down very clean. This one right here. We literally broke down. First one broke down around 6 in the morning. Right, 9 broke. You would probably take a stop if you had to take one there. And then here breakdown test. This could be in a trade as well down. So that could be a trade. Stop's gonna be at a previous thing, and or actually at that high there actually be safer, and this can actually be trade. So this is the ideal way we want to trade. But again, I won't take a trade exactly there. I'll take the trade immediately when I see a rejection. So rejection, then you box it off. That's the first one, like that there, and then the breakout, and then there we go. That candle retest is over there. That is what I'll take, and then the risk entry will be there because a little bit more of conservative than very conservative will be right there. That will be a trade, but again, Shaquel most times goes with that. And this is like a trade you can take. So let's look for something like this. If you get a trade again, maybe we take some currency. If none of these are ready, we just look for a trade in currency. Like we can take a trade. It doesn't matter. We just see what is on the market right now. Okay, this is ranging. Oh, this messy. GBP JPY. GBP JPY looks very clean though. Like it looks very bullish. The momentum is quite bullish, guys. The one thing I like about this pair right now is that you can see that we have the impulse down, right? The impulse down, and then we have the slowdown right here. Now, this usually happens before any big move in the market. You'll see that there. So you'll see that they had the push, and then we had the slowdown, push up. Even this whole thing before it literally did the thing and then went up. So this whole thing actually is like a slowdown of the market, and then now it's going to continue going up. Now, from this point in time, I do see that GBP JPY has for long term to actually continue going up, guys. Okay, check gold on 30-minute time frame. Okay, let's see gold 30-minute time frame quick. You have 5 minutes left. Yep, 5 minutes left, guys. 5 minutes left for this one. Let's see, it needs to close out. Once it closes there, we can have a trade to the upside. Okay, so still waiting for this thing to close. About 5 minutes. Let's wait. Let's see what happens, how it closes. But if it closes like this, nice clean above, we're probably gonna see market try to pull back down. So let's wait. This is that candle I was talking about. Let's see if this market is gonna close in the next 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Once it closes bullish above this high, we're gonna get a trade above here that probably will get us into for the next high, the next momentum. Okay, guys. Mateo's on the live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you for joining. Hi. How are you? How are you? Very proud. Very proud for you joining in. Thank you so much. Yeah. So waiting for this now just to see. Another thing, guys, is let's look at the you see what happened? Beep beep beep. Test broke out. Came to retest. This is very clean though, no? This is very clean though. Look here. Look at the structure. Market broke out, tested, and just took off. That was literally 9 o'clock side. I mean 8 o'clock. Around 8. Yeah, around the side. Let's look at this is what we want. This is what we want, guys. So let's look at this quick, right? Let's just look at this quick. On the lower time frame, what happened here? So let's watch what happened, right? So you can see market came, rejected, right? And just went they all off. Let's see. You get what I'm saying? So that is a nice example of a trade idea. So we have that going on again. Same thing. We have this range going on right here. Again, one more time, and we are now breaking back above. So that means on lower time frame, we're gonna be looking same thing for a test to buy. Welcome. There we go. Oh, I was making a moderator on here. Add as a moderator. So yeah, I made Garth. You can see. There we go. There we go. Let's see how this one goes right now, guys. I've been talking for so long. I know I have 1 minute. I'm gonna run quick, quick. Get water. I need to get water. I've been talking for like since 9 o'clock. So I just need to get water. Nah? Give me 1 second. I know I have 1 minute. 1 minute. I need to get water. Quick. Okay. Let's see. Quick. Uh, we have 30 seconds for this one right now. 30 seconds. Let's see what happens right now on this side. 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 17 seconds. Okay. 5 minute time frame. Closed. Beautiful. Now, with that be said, guys, what I'm gonna do is wait for the trade. That's beautifully closed. Trade entry gonna be exactly around, yeah, okay. And then so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place a buy limit, right? I'll place a buy limit in around this price, and I'm thinking for safety of my stops. For stops, projection. What I like to do is when we're in uptrend, do this high lows. There we go. So this is the real structure. of the lows of the uptrend. You see, this is real structure, and then go up. So now you put on your chart. You see, that's the real lows. So that's a little trick. So stops can be safe over here. Okay, I can be say stops will be more safer this side, on this end, and then your first 1:1 will be around here. That will be 1:1. Okay, you know, when you reach break even, you're gonna go break even. So this 1:1 area, break even at, okay, and then you know hold it up, and this will be entry. One is to two will be exactly over here. Yeah, this will be most of my trade, guys. One is two, and then eventually, you know, you're gonna try to move those your thing up all the way till they eventually, you know. So that will be the ideal trade that I'm taking. So right now we're just waiting for market just to give us a entry. You know, entry. I think the main thing right now is just to get an entry, guys. It's just for us to get an entry. The direction is correct. It's about getting entry right now. You know, I don't. It's a different thing. Like if we just jump in, we don't want to be just jumping over here and just saying, okay, get in. Then where do you put your stops? You can't just put it under. No, there's no structure for us. You can just put your stop under some random place. So that is why I'm saying base place for us to enter is right over here, and then getting over way up all the way. Okay, guys, that is my main ideal way to get in. And again, I think looks like a good setup. Yeah, it does look like a good setup actually. Looks clean. The idea behind it is quite clean as well. So it's the same thing as happens here. So I'm looking for a candle to drop down, test. So I'm just looking for a candle to drop in and test. Same thing. I always go back to previous examples just to see, like, you see, like here, check here now. You have a, like, some sort of, they call it resistance, right? So you see the market here as a resistance. Just check this out. This is a very similar example. Same. You have resistance, market chum does its thing, right? You can see clean test, reject above, reject, comes right back below the box. So when the market clearly breaks above, right, goes clean, you wait simply just for a retest. So if you go on a lower time frame on the 5 minute, just wait for the test here and you can take the trade up. That's what you can be looking for, like that, you know, and then you look for trade back up. That's basically what you look for. So the same thing when I look for buy over here. Yes, here the market didn't give any trade actually. Let's look at this one into the weekly level. You can see it broke above, but it retested on the weekly level. So since it was at the weekly level, you know, you don't take it here, you rather take it on the weekly level. So going up. It's the very same thing over here, guys. It's as always, it's basic, it's not anything magic. It's just the same thing. So always when I'm looking for a trade, it's the very same thing. I'll take the average of it, which is like spike, spike, spike right there. One, two more times. That's one only, so I'll take that. And then you wait for clean break above. When it breaks, you wait for the retest on it, right? Since in the weekly, you don't want to maybe take it, so you rather wait for the weekly to be cleared, so you don't take it over there. Okay. So then the weekly gets cleared, then you take it on the weekly rather, and you take it up. You see, so it's the same thing, guys. Here as well. Watch. You don't want to maybe take it over here. It's fine, but it has a resistance. You wait for the resistance to be broken. So that take the average. This is the whole level of it area, right? But then you make an average of it. So I say that's the most recent one there. Those right there, like that. There you go. Market breaks above, tests the same area, and then actually takes off. That's basically what I'm basically going about. Okay, same with the sell, guys. When the market breaks for the sell, but I'm showing you guys the one for the buy right now because we're looking for buys. Here's another one. This is where mark comes into the day level. It's in the middle of nowhere. So this is one that is happening right now as well. It's very close to the day level, but we're going into highs. So here you can see market has the same thing, but this one fails. So let's show you. You have the day level. You'd rather wait for the day level to be broken. So instead of taking it right over here, you can take it over here. Not saying you can't. You can. It's a clear break. You can want to take it, but again, you see, remember on a low time frame, you have to get a sell in on a lower time, a stop loss in, and then you have to watch it for 1 or 2. This one would have failed because look at you take it in that area. You it went in, it went correct, it went up for literally a 1 to 1. You know what I mean? However, your stops will be break even. You still hit the break even of this one, or you leave the loss on this one because you're taking it right in this area. So I'd rather wait for the break of that. Let's see another example for you guys that I'm looking for. Here we go. Comes in the weak level, right? Takes off from the weak level. Now you have structure over there. You're waiting for the break, doesn't test. Here you have a break as well. Okay, here's a breaker. You can see breaks above, tests a simple support resistance, market tests, and then takes off. Do you see in the middle of nowhere? But at least you can trade it. It's a little bit further away from this area. It's further away from this. It's a middle right here, which makes it the 50%, which means the entry level. Actually, if I can show you, it is an entry level. It's about the area of entry level just by looking at I. See, 50% area. It broke the 50% area, testing that support area, and then boom, takes off. So that is what it is about. It's the same thing right now on live chart. Let's go to live chart right now. Let's see where we're at right now. 10-minute level, you can see market broke it cleanly, and now it's in the middle right here. I'm looking for the market to just test and then take it back up into there. Basically, that's the ideal what I'm looking for, guys. Okay, yeah. So let's actually put that in. Yo. Let's see, 30-minute time frame. Here we go. So my goal basically with the we coming close to that area. Let's see if just fixing my order quick. Okay. Okay. Just check the stops also. Make sure everything's sorted. I'm now with you guys in the chat, okay? I'm now there just checking my thing out. Let's check if it's everything right. I moved it a bit. There we go. The now said I moved it a bit actually. It said 267 60, yeah. Okay. Okay, there we guys, we see markets coming right back to entry. Well, coming to the entry area, the area we won't be entering for a buy. We're a few pips off from it actually. I know I'm going over my time. I usually in the stream by 10, I mean 11, but I'm gonna wait for it to tap in, just to see if we could get it at least on stream. Okay, we have a few point pips actually. Do you have a pending in? Yes, I have a pending in actually. I have my entry in for pending actually. I'm gonna see. I have a trade pending in actually right here now. Okay, let's check. So let's see something. 11, 11. Ah, the time. I see the time. Yeah, the time looking good. I see the time. Triple, double level, double 11. Interesting, actually. Divine codes over here. Divine codes. Okay. Mm, don't do that. Don't do that. And then like, don't do that. Just don't do it. Don't just think like, don't go all the way up. I'm like, don't do that. You know what I mean? uh, uh, don't do that. Yeah. Even the market goes all the way up, it's gonna be crazy because it will be a miss of and we're not gonna chase it. We're not gonna chase it. But anyway, let's just wait for it. Okay. Yeah, crazy. It's already pushing up from this thing. Ahead of time. How much points that right now? Let's check here. There we go. Okay. Wow. Wow. Come on, man. That's quite interesting, eh? So how market just comes really close and push up. We're gonna trust that it's gonna come back down. We just gonna trust and wait for it patiently, guys. Again, patiently wait for it. We'll wait for our setups. We'll wait for it. No rush. Uh, okay, let's see. Patiently waiting, patiently waiting, patiently waiting. Yeah. Let me do a poll. Let's see if we can do a poll. How do you do a poll right now? How do you run a poll? I wanna write a poll. How do you how do you do a poll in this YouTube stuff? You know? I must learn Shaquel, learn. YouTube. Do you guys know how to do a poll? I'm trying to do a poll. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting, man. Let's see if I can get it. Okay, let's see on my side if I can do a poll. Let's see if we can do a poll quick. I'm gonna try to do a poll quick. I just wanna see if you guys if we can do a poll. Um, I don't know how to do a poll. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. I don't know how. It's okay. Yeah. We're gonna have to just watch for this. Watch, watch, watch. Okay. One more time frame. What happened on one more time frame? Okay. Retracing. It wants to retrace. Slowdown candle. Let's see, 5 minute time frame. Yeah, we have a slowdown candle right there. That is definitely a slowdown candle. This one here, yeah, you're spot on. This is a slowdown candle. Yeah, on the 5 minute time frame. Oh, you talking about this one there? This one here, nah? That's a slowdown candle. Yeah, it's a slowdown candle. So we're gonna have to see what happens on this one. It is a slowdown candle though, most definitely. Gonna just have to see if it does actually what's gonna happen here. It's important actually. So, but we want to get the entry right here. I think this will be the most ideal area to get an entry in. Is actually if market comes all the way down to here, and then we can try to get in. You know, just the push continuation, push up. Um, but I know if it does impulse up towards here, it's gonna be impulsive entry. If we decide to take a trade here on top, it's gonna be impulsive entry. But if it closes above and reaches here, then we're gonna have to take impulsive entry, and but it's still gonna be up to the same direction. You know, uh, same area. But just wait, our entry is still here. We'll have to just see what happens now. Okay, just wait and see. I wanted to know how the heck do you do a poll on this damn thing? Poll. Write the poll out. Let me search. How do you do a poll? How do you do a poll on YouTube? YouTube Live. Okay. So let's see what it says here. Create the thing.
Once you're all said and done, ask your community. Type in any question you want. Add up to. Hey, what's going on? So you want to create a poll in YouTube chat?
Okay, I see. I think I know where it is right now. I might know where it is. Just give me a second. On YouTube, you go to the studio, and at the studio, you're gonna go to the live stream. Okay, okay. Um, there we go. This one right here. Oh, there we go. I see it right now. Chat. There we go. Now I see it. Okay. But top or just say live chat. There we go. I'm gonna add it. Let's do a poll. I'm writing a poll. I started start poll. There you go. Let's see if it actually is polling out here. I started the poll. We still waiting for the entry. It's coming almost there, guys. Let's see. I started the poll. Did you enjoy the day today? Come on, man. Yes, yes. On here. Okay. Um, it's not starting. I don't know why, but okay. I thought it's gonna come into the area right now. Let's see how it goes right now, traders. Okay. Still waiting, still waiting. We're almost there, we're almost there. price price ni, the Indian streamers. Price ni kini ali price ni kini ni price ta. Eh? Ki price ni lishi na iki. Ai. Lani bagi ni mo ishi ni ga. Na price ni supporting lishi ni buy ni long ni shini ai 6 70 70 60. Na ni shini ni afai if price ni continue the trend na price ni shini gali ni bullish ni ini ai. Ha? Na shini ai. Eh bai ni shini trend ni bullish ni gold ni shini kini yui. Tash kini vaikili. Ha? Tishna ina. Tishni ai krishni buy limit tishni 2670 nishni a break even ni 1 to 1 hai. Mini ki nishna I trader inishni ken nishna I buy ni buy limit na shni kle na shni nishni mi top shni 500 times ne. Aishni buy limit na 260 70 nishni I TP high kilo. Okay, I'm actually try. Let's see if you understand this. Highly gold ni long since whole week. If ni bullish ni ai ki buy limit ni 270, high ki break even at naskili 1 is to 1. Nin nashi after that naskili need 1 is to 2 and high of niskili reaching new highs of monthly. Nikini aishni. Heidi buy feel like myself. Hi buy I am here today. Jabu has gone to India. Nike nation buy in India nation nine. I've been trading actually 7 years nai. 7 years nai ki sitting here. 7 years nai charting. 7 years ni knowing about market. What do you mean na buy sini? Buy shak, buy shini kinya. High shin dini. High shin to be buying at buy limit ni sini buy ni gold. Ni liquidity na shina. Don't be liquidity. Don't shini killer liquidity, eh? Let me ask this thing. Let me ask it quick. How do you say in Hindi? I'm taking a buy on gold. Okay. I'm taking buys on gold at 2670 26. मैं 2677 पर सोना खरीद रहा हूँ. Oh, Jesus. मैं 2677 पर सोना खरीद रहा हूँ. Okay, let's go again. Slow. Speak slow. मैं 2677 पर सोना खरीद रहा हूँ. What am I hearing? मैं 2677 पर सोना खरीद रहा हूँ. I'm wearing kapasi ke dam. मैं 2677. Man, 84 के पैसे के बारे मेरी ही dam 2677. मैं 2677 पर सोना खरीद. Fuck man, it's too slow or too fast. I mean, okay, fuck it. It's a bit too fast for me, guys. I need to get this. I need to speed it up. I mean, slow down. मैं 2677 पर सोना खरीद रहा हूँ. Why are you sounding like Jessica Dam? It sounds like you're saying Jessica Dam. Like I can't understand. I really no. Like honestly, gold bullish once it reaches the buy limit, hold till 1 to the top out of stop PE to take it go. Gold bullish once it reaches the buy limit, hold till 1 to 1 out. Stop separating, take it go. Listen, it's not listening to me. Okay, listen. Let me try again. Let's try again. A different voice. To guy. Flip. I'm now speaking Hindi. Let's do this. Speak it. Actually, let me just say, how do you say I'm speaking Hindi now? In Hindi, bro. In Hindi. What's wrong with you? Let's hear. Okay. Oh, me Hindi me boy rahi hoi. There we go. Me Hindi body rahi nahi. From today onwards. Me Hindi no bona hani. It means I speak Hindi today. From today onwards, I am Jabu Jabu Hindi. So today onwards, we go by Jabu Jabu Hindi. Main Hindi bohani Hindi Hindi. That's the new language from today on the stream. We are tapping into the Asian market too, guys. From now on, I'm tackling the Indies. We're going into Asian market as well. Let's go. Let's go again. Sounds like this. Me, you know they have to do the head move. So okay. Me Hindi mere bona nahi. There we go. Me Hindi bona nahi. This is actually me. If you guys don't know that, I don't wait, but this is me actually. Off, you know. I'll sit here in the chart as for the chart, so my eyes will get strained. But let's do it on this way. Mahini no jono mahini. Yeah, I think I got it right. I speak in Hindi from today on, guys. Mahini no jono mahini. Hari machine ke nahi. मेरी buy limit is 260.70. Me already taking a 1 to 2. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bro can say in Malaysia language. Bro, please in Malay language. Okay, let's try. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try Malaysian language. Let's try Malaysian language. Let's go. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try. How do you say I'm taking buys on gold in Malaysia language? Let's go. Okay. Nice one. Translated. Just give me 1 second. I'm just trying to put it in. I'm taking buys on gold. Okay. Then Malaysia. Malaysia. Let's do it. Malaysia. Malaya. Is it? Whoa. 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 What is this? Whoa. Wait. What language is this? Bro, how do you guys write this? How do you write this? Tell me, how do you write this? How do you write this? I don't know. You guys are doodle drawing at all times. With all respect, you guys are doodle drawing. Woo! Ning shang ning sham shanganangum. Say it slower, man. Ning shang yang nang ning shang ning soram nyang ngangum ning shang nyang nyang ning shang nyang nang. It means, guys, it means I'm taking buys on gold. That's what it means, guys. It means I'm taking buys on gold. Ning shang nang. Hey, we're going deeper. 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 We're going deeper, man. We're going deeper. We're going deeper. We're going deeper, man. Any good platforms you could recommend, bro? So far, only the interested that's into me is Fundnex. Oh, you know, Fundnex, bro. The problem with Fundnex is, Fundnex are good. they're good. They're probably running at number two right now. The thing with Funnex is that Funnex, if you're too profitable at any platform, they give problems, man. They good. They give payouts. Funnex gives payouts, but when you get too profitable, it becomes a problem, man. Ni goal ni shit! Ni goal ni shit! Ni shit ni goal ni shit back and they're gonna beat you up. Ni goal ni shit na ball ni shit na bullshit. Yeah, I'm talking Hindi, bruh. What you mean? Niyagi ni shit ni Niyaga na ball in the bullshit. Forex fund is problematic now. Yeah, Forex fund. Oh yeah, they problematic in the beginning of the year, man. Do some research on five percenters. Yeah, I think could be. I think I say the base problem Iftimo. Uh, Mabi hindi bol rai uni. Hey, hey. Listen, Mabi hindi bol rai uni. Huh? What do you mean? What does it mean, guys? What does it mean, bro? What does that mean? Main ba hindi bol rai uni. Riaz said I'm said main by mo bi hindi buri hini. Ooh wee. New language. We're gonna speak it in. Let's speak another language. Let's speak another language. Let's find another language, guys. We're gonna Chinese. No, not Chinese. No. Let's. Okay, we're gonna go for Dutch. Come on, Dutch is a little bit of. I. Ik verkoop. Ik koop goud. Ik koop goud. That's it. Yeah, let's go. It's Afrikaans. We're gonna say Afrikaans. Yeah. Chinese? Oh, look, guys, come on. Why so hard ones? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Jeez. Jeez. Okay, let's do Chinese. Oh, good Chinese. Traditional way, simplified or traditional? Let's go traditional. Let's take it back. 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 Okay, I'm taking buy on gold. Search. Come on, man. Come on, man. I'm taking buys on gold. How do I translate in Chinese? Translate in Chinese. Yeah. Let's see. You lost me? You lost me? This thing lost me. I don't know where my. I'm lost. Let's go back. Bro, I got a headache, man. Oh gosh. Damn. Let's go. All I heard is Nishinao Ching Ching Ching. Let's go back. I got it. I got it. 我想宁成红星，我想昂星万港黄星，我想港跟你是黄星的新娘，你讲星，嗨娘星。Says I'm taking buys and gold. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, no ways. Wait to. Okay, I'm gonna be 9 now, so. Yeah. I They just said I'm gonna get going. I took my wallet, the car, keys. Like I'm going. Okay, I'm gonna get done now. I'm getting done this now. Okay, okay. Give me a second. Oh my gosh, guys. Can I keep? I'll keep you guys updated. I've been sitting waiting. We still waiting for the trade, right? I'll keep you guys updated. Italian G, next G. Okay, okay. Last one, last one, last one, last one, last one. I'll do German and Italian. Then I think I'm gonna have to get going. I'm gonna. This is my buy limit still. I'm still keeping my buy limit on, guys. It's the same thing. Stop at the bottom here. Take profit. It's the same thing, guys. It's not gonna. I mean, whether I'm gonna be on the thingy. You know, I have a full thing of take profit to stop loss. So my full take profit is towards here. But for off stream, I'm gonna average just for 1 or 2. So right now I am still waiting. Buy limit is right here. When it comes to 1 to 1, I'm gonna go break even. Okay, so my buy limit is in, but I'm gonna go for. Let me just say this one Italian one. I'm gonna try, cause I am very hungry. Italian. Let's see what they say. Hold. Let's see. I'll just have some of it. Mm. Is this what food is this? For me, I'll eat now. Thank you. Where's your food? Is this still? Can I have one? Is this still? Can I have a jerky? I can't say it. Say to Komrandui! Why so many? Say to Komrandui! You guys are funny. Guys, I'm eating your ears. I'm so sorry. I'm be sitting here. I haven't had breakfast. I'm eating my first jerky for the day. Biltong. I have to eat, man. I'm hungry. You know. So, guys, I have my stop scene right here. I'm gonna have to get going, but at least I get yes, it's still trading on live. This is not gonna change. It's the same thing. If it does change, then basically I'll give the setup in the free group. If it changes, if anything does changes, I'll give it up in the free group. Okay, I'll I will update you guys in the free group. And also, guys, everyone wants any assistance with the free session, one-on-one session with the life coach. You guys have the Telegram message, um, and also shout out to the kings and queens that support us traders behind the scenes. Yeah, no, true, very true. Thank you, thank you. And I will support also Garth. I'll keep in contact with you as well. And all the assistant moderators, I'll also keep in contact with you guys. I'll first have a call with Garth when he's free, um, and then we'll talk from there. Mm. Just trade, trade and trade. Don't mess with me though. Okay, mess us with the, mess with the, yes, 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 yes. Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. I'll get you. I'll catch you. I'll catch you. Guys, I'm gonna love and leave you guys. If it's anything that changes, for now it's still here. I'll update you guys when if it has to change, but it's still here. You know. So I love and leave you guys. Thank you so much for tapping in till the very end right now. This is the trade. This is what I'm looking at. And again, guys, we're very patient. Very, very proud of you guys. Don't catch on any cuck when you off the stream. Don't catch on cuck. We're here together. Don't catch on any cuck, bro. Just be patient. Just be patient. Don't catch any cuck on. Relax. Don't let your hands itch. You rather eat food. Move. Your hands itching. Eat. relax. Okay, I love you guys. See you guys later. We're being consistent, every day. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Yeah. Well done. We did it, guys. We being consistent. Consistent on the streams. Every day we're coming up. Every day we're coming up. We're coming up. We're coming up. We get more comfortable, more comfortable, more comfortable again. Times goes on, will be every day. Anyway, I have to get going. I'm so hungry. Food is sitting right in front of me. I can't. It's like I want the food. Love you guys. Look after yourself. Look after your family. And peace, love, happiness. May you have a super blessed day, guys. If you have any questions, please do ask. We have a Telegram. You're more than welcome to ask questions anytime. And anyone for those people that wants the free session with a one-on-one, live one-on-one with a life coach for free to talk about your emotional and mental health, and about trading, support, psychology net, trading plan. I do want to mention something before I go, guys. I was thinking about actually, inspired by, like I said, someone actually. I wanted to actually see if I can also do it on stream live in front of you guys, not promoting anything, but actually just taking the trades live. So I'm gonna trade on the MT5 rather. So I'll have this one open and I'll have MT5 also, so you guys can see the trade. And as I grow an account up actually in front of you guys on stream, I think it's gonna be the most transparent point this time, where actually let's show the buy limits, show the buys on the MT5 as well, and then eventually you guys can get the Vista logins, and that will be the trades for my stream, the trading account for my streams, that you guys can see how I try to grow an account over time with you guys on stream with every trade I take. Okay, guys, then you can, every stats I have, the trades records, you can see it matches with the stream lives, which will all be posted on YouTube, and then you can see what I say on the banner as well as in the trading account. You guys can match everything out. Okay, that's the next level of what we're gonna do. I was trying to do it from today, but I must log in my thing here on, and I don't want to promote any brokers, so I don't want to go that way. I don't want to see that because people are gonna find always something to fucking say, man. But so they always find something to say, so I just like thinking like how I'm gonna go about it. But yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, guys, it'll be amazing to help to boost your confidence, and I think that's gonna be the most transparent way with us. Okay, guys, I think probably we'll start maybe tomorrow with that. Where I'll get this the MT5, so I'll have the MT5 one side and the trading view one side, so you guys can see it. Okay, so love you guys. That's the next level. I hope you guys will enjoy that. I hope that will help you guys a lot more with the streams actually. So I just don't say I'm taking, you actually see me taking my trade on stream will keep us accountable as well. Wins and losses, I'll share it all with you guys, and then I think that's gonna be the pinnacle point of trading for us. Okay, love you guys, and I'll see you guys in for the next one. Okay, guys. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye, guys.